We're gonna hear each other. We're gonna be robots. What's it gonna be?
Okay, we're live. We're live. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Welcome for more Outbreak. I am here with True. Say hello, True.
Hello.
Yay, he's here. We're gonna play some True. We're gonna play some True.
We're gonna play some true. We're gonna play some true. Damn it.
Wow, you see, this is why I don't have wine. We're gonna play some Outbreak. We're gonna fail some more, but this time, as opposed, Faro's here already. Welcome, Faro. Welcome.
Oh yeah, there's Barrow.
As opposed. As opposed to last time. Last time it was me guiding the first two scenarios. There was the Outbreak scenario, and then there was the Umbrella Lab scenario. This time it's Drew's turn
Oh no.
to show us around. Yeah, come on. Come on.
Let me start. We're gonna die. Everyone's gonna die.
Everyone's gonna die. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna put the headset down for a bit. I just want to check the quality of the stream. I'm gonna tweet it out and all that stuff. I'll be right back.
Alrighty. I see you over there, Barrow. Oh, hey, now I'm live. Woohoo! And Vloggy's not here to say hi, but Vloggy is here. Believe me. Our voices shouldn't sound like robots this time. Alright. Snake! Woo! What's up, man? You are right on time. We just started. And Dada Road! Dada Road Mimi! What's up, man?
Hello, Drew's fans!
You must be either not working tonight or you're leaving for work very soon, Dada Row. I know you're living that night shift life.
Well, Varo,
how you guys doing?
Varo may have been summoned late, but but I woke up early to do this, so
yeah,
you gotta do what you gotta do,
late for everybody.
This is gonna be worth it, man. This is gonna be worth it.
This should be.
Who's streaming? Well, I'm streaming and True's streaming. You know. Okay. Are you ready? Finish. Okay, I set up the room now.
Are you in area 1?
Area 1. It's VloggyBuddy and True. It's gonna be hilarious.
Yes, Varo, it is me, the true Nightfall. Oh, Snake's about to go to bed, but he wants to check out some Outbreak first. That's
good choice, buddy.
Awesome. Check it out.
Good choice.
Yeah, very good choice. Okay,
am I echoing on your stream? Am I echoing on your stream? You are perfect, by the way, on my stream. You sound awesome.
I listened to your stream and we sounded good, so I'm gonna check my stream real fast. Let me see my mic there.
In that case, I'll do some beatbox robot. I can start the game whenever you want.
Oh yeah, you sound good. You sound like a normal human being. Yeah, I'm ready. Start it up.
No more C3PO.
No more robo streams. No work tonight for Dada Row. Awesome, man. Hang out. Look at Vloggy's points. 40,000 points.
That's because I'm good.
He's just a man.
That's because I'm good. Okay, cutscene. I think. What? Wrong scenario.
No, Vloggy! What have you done to us? We're off to a rough start already.
How do I end this?
Yeah, we can quit.
What sounds a bit weird, Vario? Seriously, don't say that. Come on, it doesn't sound weird.
Oh no.
It shouldn't sound weird.
Don't say we sound like robots.
Don't say that, man.
Oh, Snake played it once with Kevin, but not the others. Vloggy likes playing as Kevin. I always play as Mark. How do we quit this? Okay, I'm gonna exit.
I quit it. Sorry,
quit game.
I'm pretty sure I selected. But again, I'll check the stream. I'm pretty sure I selected the third one, the Hive. What? I don't know.
Let's see.
And I named the room Fart to be funny.
Yeah, I know. That was good. Yeah, Snake. I played this for the first time just a few days ago with Vloggy. Well, I mean, I tested it out to make sure the game worked, but actually playing it. Yeah, just a few days ago. This game is pretty awesome.
It is awesome.
Like, if they make a remake, or not a remake, but like a sequel with like next gen stuff, that's gonna be sweet. If they just fix like the AI so you don't So if you can't play with people, the AI is not totally incompetent. That would be nice.
Yeah, but the AI is always incompetent. They can never get it right. I don't know
Yeah,
why. Oh,
yeah,
there's a
it's never
busy.
gonna be as
There's
good.
a busy. There's a busy room. Somebody else is playing. Room number 2.
Wow.
Yeah, someone else is playing. I tried to get in, but it says it's busy. You can't get in. So. It's okay. Let's have our
Oh, it's
private
after that.
party. Let's have our private party.
Oh.
That's okay.
Yeah. Oh, Tadaro, we didn't die. We quit, alright? We're professionals. We don't die. Get out of
We
here.
died on our own terms. Okay, so the hive, friendly fire off. Alright, we're good now. We should be good. Very funny, Varo. Very funny.
Oh, jokes. You got jokes.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's
Snake.
like, never mind.
I
His
did witness-
voice, he's a bit weird after all. it's just my voice. That's why I sound weird. Yeah, so I just got up actually. I'm hoping that my just got up voice wore off. But I just got up, you know how
Nah, you don't. You sound
you
great.
know how your voice is when you just wake up.
Like, oh god, why am I awake?
Alright, here
Oh,
we
this
go.
is funny. Snake said,
Yeah?
Yoko turned into a zombie when I played. I lost her in the lab, and that was it. She had all my shit in her backpack.
That's good. You just pick them up.
Yep.
Hey, Dadarumi me, welcome to the stream. We're playing some Outbreak.
Oh.
We're true.
Dado
True.
You want to skip cutscenes, or you want to keep these?
Well, it's just a very short cutscene anyway. It's gone.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate this.
Oh, wait.
I hate this hospital so much. I hate it in Resident Evil 3 and I hate it in Outbreak. I hate this scenario so much.
Okay, we gotta find the codes to get the elevator to go to different levels. And when we get the level 1 card, we gotta make sure we go to that hallway.
Apologize if I surprised
Okay, I'm
you.
gonna follow you around.
Please do not be alarmed. I'm a doctor in this hospital.
I don't know where this stuff
I
is,
must
but
say that this hospital is not an ideal
Actually, I
place
heard
to
that
take
the stuff is
shelter.
randomly placed
It's
in
not as
different
safe as it may
areas,
look or
so-
sound. I myself
yeah,
have
I
decided to
don't
get out of
think
here as
we're.
soon as possible.
Well, at least we know sort of what we're looking for.
Yeah. Yes, Bar, I'm still going through
Okay,
puberty.
there-
That's why my voice is funny. I sound like a teenager. You know that age, teenage. Yeah, my voice
Well,
is all...
Vloggy's a young buck.
Yeah. What young buck? What young buck? I'm 30 years old. What young buck?
Yeah, me too. But let's not date ourselves. We're young teens. Just
Okay.
okay. I don't think there's anything in this room. Huh?
I'm out of here.
Yeah. Go through the door. Help me.
Help me, please. Say it before things start getting messy and then you start saying it's for real.
Yeah. Before we need it for real. Yeah.
You! Please help! Please help! Please help! Help
Where is
me!
it? Help
Please
me.
help! Help! Please help me! Help me, please!
That
There it
one.
was.
That one. Help me, please. I should get my gun ready. Hang on.
Okay. Oh yeah, me too. Jeez, I don't know why I didn't do it. Oh yeah, Snake. The hospital was bigger than RE3. Oh yeah, this level is huge.
Shall we do the dance for Datarumimi and Varo?
Oh yeah. Wait a minute. I don't think I remember the button. Let me see. Let me get it. No, that's not
You
it.
press back.
Oh, I can never do the.
Let's just try to stay
The button
calm.
you used to run, and then you just press back.
Wait. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, you don't have to do the quick
Wait.
turn. You just press back.
This is the run button. Oh, there we go. Whee!
That's so synchronized. Let's go.
We're so
We keep
mature.
doing
We're
this.
so mature.
We keep doing this. We're gonna die. We're gonna die again on fires. Like
Okay.
we died.
Got a little herb.
Okay.
Little herb here. That's good.
I should
something probably in this
Or
one.
not.
Oh yeah, first aid. There you go.
I'll take that. Thank you very much. Okay, which way? This way? It has to be this way.
Something's in here. Oh, Dadaro, what are you saying there? Getting graphic in my chat.
All right, here we go. I'm sure there's something in the drawer. Hang on.
Oh, here's that nurse's diary that I'm not picking that up. I don't know what that does.
I don't think you need the nurse's diary.
Yeah, and you can't even do anything with it. Like you can't like read it. Let's see, what did I get?
Yeah,
Oh, another handgun. I guess.
Yeah,
Well, we'll take it. I guess. Yeah.
Oh
no!
Here comes
No!
this again. Okay, I'm out of here. Bye.
Run!
Oh, of course I get.
Ow! Oh, I'm already hurt. Jeez. Help me.
Please, help me, please.
This level.
My goodness, it's just the start. Here we go. Oh my
We
goodness.
barely
Here we go
went
again.
to the first room, and I'm already like hurt. Am I
Yeah, me
bleeding?
too.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Yep, I'm bleeding.
Come on, me. I'm fine. I'm still fine. You see? You just hang on.
I'll just wait up.
Yeah, hang here until he. Do you think you want the first aid spray? Do you know if you're? Hang on.
Nah, I don't think I'm like injured that bad, but I'm just bleeding. It'll go away though automatically, right? Like it goes away at the time.
Yeah, it does.
Let's just press on.
We go into a room where there's a leech man, and I don't think he's gonna come for now.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and I found out how to kill the leech man. Do you remember?
No.
Yeah, we have to do it basically like Resident Evil. Oh, wait, I almost went in this room. I didn't even mean to. Oh, yeah, hold on, I went in this room.
Okay, I'm coming.
The nurse center. I think that blood's in here. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here though. Let's see. Okay, I got a map. Oh, the doctor's in here. That's right. I got the cutscene. Yeah, Leechman sucks. This guy is gonna.
Oh, let's kill the leech man.
The bloody elevator
Let's
isn't
do
working.
this.
I'm trying to figure out why. It seems the electricity on
really
this
says
floor is
true, sir.
entirely supplied by an auxiliary
Oh, thanks,
battery.
Tadaro.
I don't think
asshole.
if
See if this
we
works.
are all doomed because this is on him right now. This scenario, I'm really leaning on his knowledge right now. I hate this scenario so much.
My massive knowledge of Outbreak.
And this is the reason why.
What? Tadaro says what? I didn't say that. Liar. I see you on both streams, Tadaro. Don't lie to me. No. Uh-oh, I don't think this guy's gonna make it. Yeah, we have to basically get a blood pack and lure him to this one room. I think on one of that bottom floor, and then we leave the room and we set off this like heat or laser something or whatever to kill him. And he has another key card we have to get off him.
We can actually climb this. I just realized we can climb this. I had no idea we could. Last time we didn't do that. Look,
Oh
I
god,
didn't
no,
know
we
could.
didn't.
Oh, hang on.
Hello, Jay Meredith. How you doing?
There's stuff here. There's a spray. I'll take it. Thank
Playing
you very
some.
much. What else? He's dead. He's gone.
What do we got here? Oh, ow! Damn it!
I
Oh,
don't
leech
think they
got me.
damage you though. They just slow you down, but they don't damage you.
Ow, he's annoying. I'm gonna take a. We need one blood pack to lure him in that last room.
Yes.
So I'll hold on to a blood pack.
Does he have anything on him, Doctor? No. No.
Nothing else in here.
There's another blood pack in that drawer. Something.
Yeah, and there's another blood pack in another room too.
I'm
So
gonna take it. It's better to have an extra one than.
okay.
Let's go. I got my broom
Okay.
as well, just in case. Hey Chase, welcome to the
Nice.
stream. Welcome back to more Outbreak. This time
Yo,
we're
Chase.
gonna do it.
We're gonna do it.
I
Did
got
you
my-
get?
I got my
Wait,
power broom.
wait,
I
wait.
got my
What's
power
this
broom.
flashing over here? Oh, there's a memo on the desk.
Take.
Oh, this is.
Mr. Clean.
Uh,
I'm sorry, I'm using myself so easy right now. Sorry.
I don't know what this repair work memo means. There's no codes on it, so screw it.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's
Let's get out of here. Get out. Okay.
we gotta beat this level.
I noticed that it doesn't take much time to load between one room and another. On the PS2, it takes so much longer.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. It takes.
Oh, I hear him. Let's take an elevator.
Which?
B1F?
Let's go B1F. Be careful because.
Or wait, we're on B1F.
Are were we?
Never mind.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oops. No, we weren't.
So maybe we weren't.
No,
Well, I'm on it now. No, I'm on B1F. Where are you? Leechman! Leechman!
I'm on B1F.
Damn it! Damn it! I'm going to one floor.
I think I'm on B1F.
What's
That's what
up,
it
Jay?
says. I lost.
Oh, Alley Cat. No, go to the first floor. Go to the first floor. What's up, Allie? Sorry, I'm just having a little panic attack. I lost Vloggy. No, there's zombies.
I'm trying to sweep this zombie away. Go away.
No! Oh. Yeah, Snake, this version looks a lot better because it's being emulated and you can really up the graphics on the PC, so that's why it looks so good.
Dang it.
How you doing, Allie? What are you up to? Dang it, where are you, man? I'm gonna take this fire.
Oh, no, I'm
Are you-
already. I'm coming.
Where are you, man?
I'm sorry, I got caught with a zombie. Hold on.
Get to the
First floor,
elevator.
yeah? First floor, yeah?
First floor.
Yeah.
1F, 1F.
I'm coming. the room is saying through is no fun. No, he is. Oh, there I am. I'm here.
Oh, yes, thank you. Oh,
Sorry.
it's not a
I tried
roasting.
to-
Don't believe Vloggy. What a little...
Oh no, he's here. What do we do?
Run! Door!
Oh my goodness, this is so scary. This is so scary.
Jay Meredith is watching both our streams right now. So it's a little confusing.
Welcome.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little confusing. There's a memo. Please have codes.
It gets interesting when we get
Red.
separated. I mean,
Chemical
I don't want
code.
that to happen, but
Okay, we gotta find
now which way?
codes.
Oh,
yeah.
thanks, yeah.
Alex says Vloggy sounds a lot better. Yeah, Vloggy does. He doesn't sound like.
Okay,
Oh,
he's
he's
back,
in the room.
he's
He's in the
back.
room. Okay, I'm gonna go around.
Gonna go
Oh wait,
here.
which way is he coming? Quick. You going that way?
Yeah,
Ah!
that's the closest door.
Go this way.
Go to the closest door, not the one you have to go to, the closest one. He ruins my plans,
Okay.
but it's better this way. Now we just wait here. We just hang here
Okay.
until he shows up, and then we just go back to them.
Okay.
That's how we roll. What's in here? Handgun rounds. Sure, why not?
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Can I reload the gun like this? Hang on. It doesn't say I can. Combine.
Jay Meredith, you hear echoes of both of us. Well, if you have both the streams on, you're definitely gonna get some odd echoes. You
Pretty much
might
how it works.
want to listen to one.
And it's a good thing that both of us are carrying blood packs, because worst case scenario, if we get cornered, for instance, we can place a blood pack. Oh, he's coming! Quick!
Oh, okay. Okay.
If we get cornered,
Ooh.
this is gonna be awesome. We're gonna do this. I think.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make
Go
it.
through
Okay, let's
here,
go
yeah?
to the other door on the side.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I tried to take on a zombie earlier when I was on my own with a broom. It was so useless. I'm not gonna try again.
Oh yeah. I tried the lead pipe in that other mission, and like I did like 8 swings and it didn't work. Like the melee weapons are like kind of useless. Okay, I'm gonna mix a red and a green here just because I have it.
Oh, he's coming already! Get out of there!
Oh no!
He's coming already!
Okay. Turning, running.
The only way out.
Where are we going?
Here's the only door. He's gonna waste a lot of our time. My goodness.
Yeah, this level sucks. It's good, but damn, it's. Snake. At least there's no beta hunters. That's true. There could always be more horrible enemies, but this leech man is bad enough.
At
Jeez.
least there's not what kind of hunters. What the hunters? You mean Resident Evil hunters?
The beta hunters? I forget which ones those are.
Oh, he's coming again already. Ooh, let's go.
Oh, okay. Going.
There are hunters in this game, though. I don't know if it's the same hunter.
Well,
you're
yeah.
talking about. What?
I forget what the difference between beta hunters and regular hunters is. Okay, I'm gonna try real fast to mix this herb. Oh shit! No.
There's nothing we can do in this room. There's no cards. I was
Okay.
hoping for a card or something like that, but there's no cards. So this is the wrong place. As soon as we're done,
Yeah,
let's
we
get out of
should.
here.
Well, there's another door over here, right? No, there isn't. Dang it.
No, there's the main door here, but we can't get out because zombie bones can be heard nearby.
Oh,
It
yeah,
could be
that's right,
suicide,
that's
I
right.
believe.
And then we have
the
to use
shutter,
the-
yeah, we need to open the shutter for sure later with a card, I think.
Oh, the power.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So
I think
not
that was
this
a-
way. Not this
I don't
way.
think it was a good idea though. I think the leech man still there.
Yeah.
Is he still there?
Oh, you're right. I forgot.
I followed you. I don't know if he's still there. He's still there?
I hear a noise. Is that him? I don't. No,
he's not.
I don't think he's here. Okay, let's go. Oh, Snake. Yeah, I played Assassin's Creed Rogue. I love it. I'm actually still playing it. I just didn't stream it the last time I played. I love that game.
Watch out.
Oh no! Zombie! I think it's.
Where do we go? Which floor? First floor? No,
Let's go
B1F?
two. Let's go two.
Okay, two.
Two.
Let's go.
I think Rogue is. If you liked Black Flag, Rogue is awesome. If you didn't like Black Flag, I don't think you're gonna like Rogue.
Now,
Okay.
which door? Let's
Let's
on
see.
this one?
Yeah, might as well. Let's just get the closest ones.
Nurse station.
Nurse station. There's. I think this room has blood packs too. I think, or it did last time. I don't know.
Dadaru says you have amazing gaming skills. Oh, he's coming already! Oh my goodness!
Oh no! Oh! Oh, zombie, get off him! Ow! 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 Oh, I got hit.
We'll try again. We'll try again. I keep confusing
True
the
has no
buttons.
game.
I keep confusing the buttons where he kicks.
Oh.
I keep confusing the kick with the shooting thing. Hang on, let me see.
Wait, how do you just do a kick?
My button is you aim, but then you press X instead of you press X instead of
Enough
0.
already.
The run button,
Whoops.
basically.
Oh,
the run
wait.
button. The button you use.
Oh. No, my run button
it's coming.
expired.
Let's go.
Oh, it's going. Oh, Dadaro says Vloggy sounds like. I think Vloggy sounds like he's drunk. I think Dadaro's trying to just start beef. He's just hating on both of us.
Yeah, he's trying. He's trying. Okay, zombie, you are gonna
Okay,
get it.
let's
Watch out,
kill this zombie.
I think I found the card.
Chase, like
I think I
and
found the
sub.
card.
Thank you, man.
I'll take.
The level 1.
Okay, you can pick up the bullets because they don't match my gun. If that's a word. They're not compatible with my gun. That's right.
Oh, I just found a burst can. Oh my god, he's in the room. Oh, he landed right on top of me. He landed right on top of me.
I'm sorry, I'm getting out of here. Bye. Every man for himself. I would shoot him, but I know it's a waste of ammo because it doesn't affect him. So. I'll wait outside.
Snake. Oh, you watched my video, Snake. Yeah, I had like OCD when I play Assassin's Creed. I get all the little bonus items and everything. I upgrade my shit before I actually do a mission. Like,
oh, he's back. He's back.
oh, he's in here. He's in here. Ow! Damn it!
Really?
That guy is quick to hit me.
Do we need anything
My
from
character's
this
too
room?
fat. I don't know. In the back, is it just blood?
I picked up the card. I finally picked up the card.
Oh, you picked up a card.
Yeah, I picked
Okay.
up the
There's
card,
something in this drawer here.
What's in here?
Oh, it's a
Another
handgun.
black pack. I got another
There's
black pack.
another-
Well, it's good to know that there's another black pack here just in case.
Yeah, this room definitely has. This room has a ton of blood.
Whoa!
Was it? Was it? Whoa!
Oh my goodness. Hang on.
Wait, what's this on the floor?
Let's get out. He's back. Out.
Is that? Okay, ready. Oh no. Ah!
You okay, buddy?
I'm okay. I made it.
I'm gonna wait for you. That's the next door. Which one's the next door? Let's go this way.
Okay, I picked up the rounds and left the handgun.
There's a door here. Wanna check out this door?
I don't think we can go in this one.
Yeah, you're right. Wow. I'm not ready for a door.
Yeah, I remember that. And this leads to
That's just the first aid spray.
nowhere. There's a
Oh, come
We'll keep that in mind. Oh no! Oh, he's there. Okay, go down the hall. There's gotta be a door here. There's gotta be a door. Left. Okay. Oh, there's 2 herbs there, just for future use.
As soon as he comes in, again, out. And we'll do our little thing where we wait for him to...
Yeah. Taro beef, more like
Okay.
pork.
There's a knife here. I don't know if it's of use, but...
I don't know. Melee. Even my character is supposedly good at melee. Oh, he's in already. Run!
My goodness, man. He doesn't even give us a chance. Nothing.
I know. Okay, so we should go down the stairs.
We go down the stairs. I don't think there's anything there anyway. Let's go. So now we're gonna be on the first floor again, I think.
First floor, yeah. Well, we haven't been in this room on the first floor, have we?
Let's see. No, we haven't been here at all. Nowhere. Okay, let's check out this door.
Okay, here we go. Vloggy is lying. Dadaro, quit starting trouble.
Okay, I'm sure there's something here. Yes, there is. Hang on. This room is safe. I don't think there's a leech, man. Flip the switch. Yes. Okay.
Oh, do we have power or something? Guard regulations.
Oh, there's a gun here. Ooh, nice. So do you have an extra gun or not?
I gave up my extra gun to make room for handgun ammo.
Okay.
So I have more bullets total with the handgun ammo than I do 2 guns.
The gun that came with the character has 5 bullets, and the one that I just picked up another 15. So I'm good for now, I think. It's
Okay.
amazing. How, say,
I
how
got
20 bullets
now,
feels
now
like feels very comfortable.
I have 66 bullets. So if you need to reload, I'll give you the ammo. Let me know.
I wanna see if I can.
Okay. Well, you just turned on power. Is that right?
Yes, yes. I'm increasing the brightness of my game. Maybe it helps my stream. I don't know if it helps the brightness of my stream this way.
Oh. Okay.
Because last time they told us it's very dark. So I'm gonna check. Well, we can just head out. Let's head out. Let's go.
Okay. So that
Yeah, I just
opened the
switched on
shutter.
power, yeah.
The shutter right here.
Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Yeah, this light came on, in fact. What does it say? Switcher?
Okay,
Yes.
nice.
There we go.
Nice.
What's here? Something's glowing here. Or sparkling, whatever. What's this? A map.
Oh, here is zombie.
There's more doors here as well, yeah?
Yeah.
The doors
I
first.
don't-
Let's see what the doors are about.
All right.
Again, if something comes in, we just exit the closest door. We'll take it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, get another door.
Get in.
Oh, he's on here.
My
Jeez.
goodness. I hate that.
Help me. Help me,
Help me,
please.
please.
Help me. Examination
I hate
room.
this room.
You have to
Okay,
find
how
these
to
dang
decide what the room-
codes. Oh, whoa! Almost
Jeez.
got me.
Oh, another one walked out.
Okay,
He's back. Out.
oh no. Wait, where are you running? Which way?
I just left. Yeah, it is vloggy. What do you
Ah!
mean? Yeah, it's vloggy and Hi Veronica. Can you hear me? It's vloggy and true.
Veronica. Mic check, Veronica. 1 2 1 2. Oh, you went in a different room, didn't you? Ah!
I did.
Oh! There's zombie dogs in this room. Oh, you went out that door. I see your
I
stream.
think I did.
I'm going back in the examination room.
Are you coming? Are you gonna join me in my room?
I'm gonna join you. Yeah. Oh God. Oh no. I'm coming.
This game is scary, huh? This game is scary.
Snake, I don't trust the sub levels of the hospital. Yeah, I don't trust any level of this hospital.
I'm in this
God,
room that
this
you
is
just came in, but you have to find me. Peekaboo. Where am I? Try to guess where I am.
Hey!
You see me inside the locker.
Help me! No, I don't see it all. Ah! Freeze!
Freeze, sucker! We have to be careful. Huh? Oh, he's coming already! Run!
Oh no! Ah!
You okay, bud? Okay, let's go.
I'm okay. Oh man.
So stressful.
Okay.
So stressful.
There's a lot
It's
of
killing me.
rooms we can go in.
Okay, so
Let's
where
go
are we going?
in.
There's something over
Let's
here.
go in.
Oh my
There's a
goodness.
zombie in here.
Fuck off.
Oh! Get off, John! Get off, Foggy!
Oh, the leech man is
Oh!
back. Run!
Run through this side,
Here.
other side.
Other
Oh
side.
yeah, there's a zombie dog in this room. A zombie dog in this room. Heads up.
Zombie dog? Okay, I'll handle him.
Yeah.
I'm good at this, I think. Am I? Wait. Oh,
Oh,
I
there he
kicked
is,
the
right
dog!
there.
I kicked the dog!
Oh!
Like a
Nice!
bug. I kicked the dog.
Man, Vloggy's a beast. Oh! Get back.
Is he gone?
First aid spray.
Oh, he's back! He's coming in!
Oh!
Run!
Run!
Let's go.
Oh
I
no!
took this door.
Go the
It's
wrong
okay.
way! Go the wrong way!
Whichever is closest. Just go on without
Oh.
me, buddy.
I don't want to die.
Me neither. Ah, okay. You made it here as well. Good. We'll just wait for Mr. Leechman to show up here and we'll just go again. What's this?
Yeah.
What's this? I can't take any more of this item. It's just the card there. What else? Is there anything else?
Oh yeah. Oh, there's a door in the back.
There's another
If we
door
want to
here.
try it.
Yeah, let's try that door. I'm gonna see what's over here real quick. Ah, it's a first aid spray. We don't need that now. Oh, run! Take the door!
Oh,
Take the door!
oh,
Take
there
the
it
door!
is.
Take the door!
Run!
Take the other door now.
Oh, Vloggy!
It's fine. Don't worry. Just go on without me, buddy. Where am I
Snake
now?
just got done with the dogs in the RE4
Oh, this
maze.
is a safe room,
that-
actually.
that-
This is a safe room. Come here.
oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming.
I found the
Yeah,
hemostat.
that garden maze
Stops bleeding.
in RE4 is a nightmare.
This is a safe room. If you can make it to this room, we can
Yeah.
catch our breath.
Oh. Yep, I'm gonna make it. We have homeboys chilling in there. Stupid leech.
There's healing items
True
in
has a
case you are
potato
bleeding.
face. Dotaro, why are you so mean today?
Hello,
Used to be nice.
Pixelsoft. Welcome to the stream. We're playing some more
What's up,
Outbreak.
Pixel? Chemostat? I don't know. Do you want to use that?
No, it's when you're bleeding. You have to use it when you're bleeding, but...
Invaluable on the
Okay,
shelf.
ready to go again whenever you're ready. There's a spray here in case you need it up there. I don't have
Well,
I don't
this
have
thing
room
says
for it.
deformed body model. Take it.
The form
You
really?
obtained a
Is
special
it,
item.
It's not the dummy finger, is it?
No.
Yeah, take the,
Oh, yeah.
take
It's right
the
here in
special
this
item.
corner.
Yeah,
I
the
don't
special
know.
item earns you points. And it gives you points, so... do
Oh,
that.
okay. No, I don't want the car key. You have it.
Okay. I'm gonna hold the door in case something tries to come in.
Okay. Oh, Snake's playing RE4 on promo. Dang. Yeah, that's rough. I've only played on normal at most. That's it. Okay, I guess we got everything in this room. Maybe I'm on caution. Is there a first aid spray? I might use my
there's a
herb
spray
and
up,
take
up
first
there.
aid
There's a
spray.
spray up there.
Where?
Up there.
Oh yeah, okay. I'll use my herbs and then take the first aid spray.
You see, these kind of rooms are safe that they don't have an air vent.
Yeah.
Then there's no way they're
That's
gonna
nice.
crawl in.
Yeah.
I increased the brightness of my game. I don't know if it helps the stream, but I increased the brightness of my game because it's quite dark.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I didn't even comment. I saw your Kevin side picture there.
Oh, you did. You saw it.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
haven't-
I don't think you saw.
I haven't seen yours
You haven't
yet.
seen
no.
mine. Nobody's commented
Hey,
on it yet.
policeman is
Nobody.
here. Just get out. Just
Oh
get
no.
out.
Fine. I'm running. Oh, Dadaro, it's all good. I'm just messing with you. I know you're a good guy.
Yeah, no, I know you're kidding. He apologized that the room unless he's trolling again. No, I know you're kidding.
Yeah, he's double trolling us. Dang it, Dadaro. Got it twice.
Okay, there's nothing in this
We
room.
can't go. We can't go in this door. I don't think, can we? It's like locked from this side or something. Huh? Yeah, the other side can't get it.
So
There's
do you
nothing in
know
this
where
room
we go
for
from
us.
here?
I can't remember that stupid video. The
he's
guy
coming back.
ran everywhere so fast. Oh no, running! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh damn it!
He got you?
Why did I run over there? Why did I run over there? Terrible idea.
I do a very good job of taking care for myself.
Snake's gonna play RE6 on better and then promote. I haven't finished RE6 yet. I just can't bring myself to even play that game.
Oh, my gun is
is there
empty.
something? Oh, do you need bullets? I got
No,
bullets.
I got the other gun. Say cheese.
Okay.
Oh, he's coming back. Run. No time to play.
Oh no, run. Oh no, damn it, the zombie at the window got me.
Oh
The
my goodness, I'm
zombie
sorry.
at the window, get off of me!
left, I'm
Get off
sorry.
of me! Oh!
You need a
Let me out
hand.
the
You need a hand. I'm
window.
coming back. I'm coming back.
It pulled me out the window and killed me, I'm dead!
What?
It pulled me out of the window!
You're gone.
No.
You're dead.
I'm gone!
Really? You're gone. Oh, there's Leechman on his
Oh
own.
oh my god! I didn't know that could happen!
So you're gone. That's it. I'm on my own. You're dead. No way.
I'm dead!
Where are you?
I swear to you, I'm gone. He literally ripped me through the window.
So now what?
Help me, please!
You can
Help!
play on your own.
No, I'm not gonna play
Or
on my own. I have to quit this.
I could join you.
No, you can't
Remake.
Come,
Oh
you
my
can't come
god.
back in as another character or something like that. I should have stayed. I'm sorry. I should have stayed.
Oh my god.
Oh no, let's quit. I can't play on my own. No.
Yeah. At least I know that can happen now. I didn't think that was a thing.
So everyone, listen up. You're watching the stream and you can see for yourself. I died on my own terms because I quit the game. Okay, unlike True. Okay, so I'm the boss here.
I was sucker punched by a zombie. Oh man, that was rough.
You know the best part is I was actually aiming at that zombie. I was gonna shoot him, but then I decided not to because the Leechman came out. If I shot him, he wouldn't have grabbed you. Amazing. Do you want to set up the room?
I can't because I don't have that mission. Remember?
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, gotta figure that out later.
Yeah, I'll send you the link where I downloaded the save file. Okay, so this.
Oh, somebody at Capcom added that in since RE2 they could only just grab you. I know, they just grab you in RE2. I thought that was all it was. I didn't know you could get ripped through windows. Oh.
Hang on, there's something here that says test game. What's this?
Probably some random person playing it.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh,
But
well, it's
this
gone
is
now.
interesting. Okay, never mind. Okay.
That room disappeared.
Alright, no time to make names now. Scenario, the high.
So Vloggy did the honorable death, samurai style.
Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'm just gonna check the stream, just make sure everything's running.
Oh, yeah.
Be right back. And I'm gonna check your stream while I'm at it. Hang on.
Alright. Ali, why'd you delete your message? all you said was ha ha ha. GG, true. Yeah, that was GG. That was intentional. I wanted to show everybody watching. Don't go near windows, zombies will pull you out, alright? That was a lesson for all of you. Me, Resident Evil expert that I am, I knew that. I was prepared for it. Damn. Those gosh dang zombies. More. Loggy, help me! Help me, Loggy! Do. I don't like this new update for Android. Weird. Yep, resident disclaimer inserted here. For your own safety, don't go near windows. Oh, it didn't send twice on my screen, Ali. I don't know.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back.
You're back.
I noticed that I sound very low on my stream. It's like, can you hear me okay on my stream? When I perform the sound test on my stream, it sounds like I'm very... Let me see, check the wavelines thingy. Hello? No, seems to be okay. I don't know. I'm not convinced. It feels like it's very low. Hang on, be right back. I'm not trusting this. Hang on.
Oh yeah, I listen to your stream. You do sound a little lower, yeah.
I don't know what's going on, but it feels like my voice, I don't know, it's like it goes low. I don't know what's going on. Whatever. Hang on.
Well, Snake said Snake and Ali said they can hear you fine.
From my stream though, yeah? I don't know, never mind, it's okay.
I don't know. I listened to your stream, you sound a me, but I can still hear you, but it's a little lower.
Yeah, it is a little lower, is it?
Unaudible.
Yeah.
Not unaudible, you can still hear you.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put the mic closer to my mouth. There we go. Alright, you're in. Okay, start again.
Just put it in your mouth.
Put it in your mouth. Put it there. No.
Alright, we're gonna try this again without getting ripped through.
It's not my fault, guys. We're starting over, okay? I just want to emphasize that.
Totally. Your Nightfall.
Okay, now we're gonna skip the cutscenes. Yeah, we can skip the cutscenes.
Yeah.
We're good. But now we still have to see the doctor getting attacked. No, I think we can skip that too.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, so pick up stuff.
Put my gun.
There's the doctor coming in. We can't skip this, can we?
Oh, I apologize if I surprised you. Please do not be alarmed. I'm a doctor in this
He
hospital.
looks very Indian.
I must say that this hospital is not an
Is
ideal
he? I don't
place
know.
for
I
a
can't hear
shelter.
his accent.
It's not as safe as it may look or
I can
sound.
see that.
I myself have decided to get out of here as soon as possible.
He has a weird accent. I don't know. I like how he thinks it's kind of dangerous. Yeah. Thousands of zombies around here. You're right. It's kind of dangerous.
All right.
Okay, there's nothing in this room, is there?
I don't think there's anything else we can take. What about this drawer? Hang on.
Alright.
You found a set of shoes underwear. No, thank you.
Oh! Hey, that's a special item. You better hold
Special
on.
item. Let's get out of here. Okay.
We got this. Time.
We got this now. Come on. Come on, we got this now.
Basically a speed run. We're so good
We're
at it
gonna
by
speed
now.
run
Okay.
this. Thanks to True, we're gonna speedrun this now.
Are we on?
This way.
We're not on the difficult. Okay, so
Pick up the herb.
we can go. Oh, I got it.
I'm gonna pick this up.
And then
Try not to die this time, please.
there's nothing there. There's nothing in here. This says that stupid diary that we don't need.
Yeah.
I know that.
I'm gonna check quickly to see what's in here. No, I won't take the stick. A stick. Will you take the stick? Like, no. No, there's nothing in here.
I don't. Oh, another handgun here. I do want it.
Take it. No, take it. Take it. Oh,
Right.
he's coming in.
Oh, no. Oh, it's like automatic. Every time I pick up the handgun, he comes in.
I'm out of here.
I'm out.
Try not to die, please.
Snake, that's the same brand the fat guys in RE5 buy. Oh, come on. Okay, let's get out of here.
Now, this way? No, which way? This is this way.
This door? I forget what's in here. Oh yeah, the nurse center. Oh, this is where we see the doctor again get eaten.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
And I think there's something else in here.
There's the memo. Oh, okay. We can skip the cutscene now.
Yep. So long, Doc.
I think this game was ahead of its time. Not many people cared about online play.
Yeah, the technology just wasn't. Oh, there's a zombie. What the hell?
Yeah, he got up. He was on the floor. But I'm here just to pick up some more stuff real quick. I'll take it. Thank you very much. What's in here? Nothing to operate. All right.
The blood packs are here.
Yeah, there has to be a blood pack in here. Oh, there's two. Take one and I'll take one. So it's good for both of us to have one.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good from here. Let's go.
Okay.
You guide me. You tell me where we go next. Which floor? Now we have to take the elevator. Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get in the elevator. Whoops. No, I don't want this freaking scrub brush. Get out of here.
Yeah, it doesn't take much to. It doesn't take a long time to load on the PS2. It takes forever. It's annoying, actually. Can you imagine waiting a long time between each door every single time?
That'd be terrible.
Whoa! Whoa! Two of them.
Run! There's a bunch. Let's go to the second floor. Second floor.
I'm trying to get in. I tried to get in, but I can't. Call the elevator. Yes. Can you get in? I tried. I can't get in. Okay. Second floor.
Gosh.
Second floor.
I'll come back.
No, it's fine.
Second floor.
Second floor. I'm coming. My goodness, they attacked me.
Wow, that was rough.
Yeah, it was. Okay, I'm here. Am I injured? No, I'm still fine. Good. Coming.
Nurse station. I think there's blood packs in here, and maybe one of the level 1 cards. Oh, zombie.
Okay, we're good. Now, what we'll need from here? There's ammo. I take them. And there's the card.
Oh, he's in here. Run.
Is he? Whoa! Out. Did you make it out?
I made it out.
Okay. Because last time I left, you were just standing there like, oh! I picked up the card, so we're good.
Yeah.
Now, where do we go from here?
Snake.
Should we check out this area?
Snake couldn't play online. I think that door doesn't work, and that's just a first aid spray down there.
Alright, let's go. No, yeah, it doesn't work. I keep forgetting. You see?
Keep trying it.
Oh, watch out! There's a zombie here.
Whoa!
Watch out!
Downstairs?
Downstairs it is.
Whoa. Yeah, I think a lot of people didn't actually play this online, Snake, because a lot of people didn't have like the internet.
And it's so much fun online.
That Vloggy, like adapters and stuff you needed.
Yeah. I mean, back in the day we had wired internet, and our internet wasn't conveniently placed next to our PlayStation. Back in the day, it was placed next to a TV. You know how it is.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
There's a gun here.
Turn this thing. There we go. Okay, the switch is on.
Okay.
Some ammo.
I got some more ammo here as well if you want, because I don't have enough room.
Okay, where is it?
Right here.
Okay. I got it.
Is it the same kind of ammo?
Holder. Oops, I didn't do that. Oh, yeah, I think so. Let me see. Oh, no.
Help me, please! Go now. Go now. Come on! Go now.
What is going on?
Excellent.
It's not working.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, it's the same. Yeah.
If it combines, it's the same kind. Okay, we can leave from here then. Let's go.
Come on!
Come on!
Come on!
Come on! Yeah! I think we can do that actually. I can say come on and you can go yeah. Let's see. I can say come on and you can say.
Go now!
Hang on.
Excellent.
Oh, no time for ad-lib. Up the stairs. Never mind. We're just rehearsing our reciting our lines. Come on. Yeah. I'm sure we can do that. Hang on. There's a.
Zombie.
Okay.
I got to.
Let's see if I say come on.
Move it!
No.
Come on!
I say come on and you can say yeah.
Come on! Come on!
Oh. Oops. Dang it.
Come on!
Cringe just thinking of
on.
dial-up
Oh,
internet.
get down the stairs. He's here.
Oh! I remember dial-up internet, Snake. It was funny.
Okay, I'm gonna quickly switch on the thing. Yes.
Oh yeah, there's.
So we go through here now.
And then.
I don't know where this door leads. I forgot. I keep forgetting.
Ah,
Oh, I think there's a door. I think there's the dog here. Yeah. This is the dog.
Oh.
No, it's not the dog. No, it's not the dog.
Oh, this is Oh, this is the dead end. We couldn't actually do anything here last time. I'm gonna combine these herbs.
Oh, we're in the main room. Okay. Oh, I can use the card here. I opened the shutter.
Oh. Nice. Let's go.
Okay. Out. Run. Run, Forrest, run. Take the closest door. Don't worry about me.
Oh, Run this way. Oh man.
Did you go through the same door I did?
No, I ran the opposite way. I'll come to you.
It's okay. Take your time, buddy.
I'd like dial up like 100 times.
Ooh, doggy.
Internet.
No, it's not a dog this time. Interesting.
No dog?
No, it's not a dog this time. It's just... Oh, Leechman! Ah!
Run this way.
Okay, I just took another door now.
Further away?
Yeah, further away, but it's fine. I'll just go back to the room once the Leechman shows up again. We're good.
Okay.
I'm in the room where you got where you died. I'm in the room where you got told by that.
I remember that room.
A zombie's coming in, I think.
Yeah.
Ooh, watch out!
I'm coming in. I don't know if room you're in.
Now again I went back to...
Oh!
Where are you?
I'm coming into the examination room. Is that where you are?
Ah, Leechman's still here. Ouch. No, I got hurt. This is not easy. This is hard. Even if it's... Oh, there you are. Watch out. Okay, I need to use some help. Use. We're good. Is there anything else in this room?
You have that card.
Yeah,
right?
I do have the card. Wait for the Leechman and we leave. Oh, he's here already. Let's go. Out. This way. Whew. So stressful. I hate this scenario so much, but I need to finish this. I never finish this scenario in my life. Okay, so the shutter that I opened. Watch out! There's hands. There's zombie hands. You don't want that to happen again. Let's go.
Okay, so that just opened this way.
Yeah, now we came through the same door. The
Okay.
main area.
We need to hit up the elevator again, I think.
Okay, this is the way to the
Go
elevator.
this way?
Oh, he's coming. Okay, now I'm following you. Go,
Okay.
go.
Oh no! I was going this way.
Okay, it's okay. Take whatever. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Whew, he almost hit me. He already got his arm ready to hit me, to slap me in the face.
Oh man.
Okay, is there anything we need from here? Have we been here? And this?
We've been here. Oh, there's a first aid spray up on the cabinet. I don't know if you have room.
Oh, I think I do actually. No, Leechman's coming in. No time.
Oh yeah.
It was after
That's
me
like
actually.
Screaming playing Resident Evil. Memories. I know, man. I haven't screamed playing Resident Evil since probably like the first one, and those dogs broke through the window in that hallway.
Yeah. I think we're gonna get scared once again. Okay, I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna wait for you to come here. Ooh, zombie! Ouch! I just got scared.
Oh,
I'm just gonna wait for you here next to the elevator.
okay.
Unless you can get to an elevator room quicker than this area.
I'm gonna try and come through.
Okay, the Leechman's coming in, so... Ooh!
Okay.
No, get in! Okay, I'm going to the third floor. I don't know. Randomly, I randomly chose her at the third floor.
Third floor?
Yeah, because I got slapped in the face by the leech man. So.
Damn leech man.
Oh my goodness, 2 zombies here. No, third floor is the wrong door actually. Don't come to the door to the third floor.
Don't come to the third floor?
No, wrong idea.
Oh no, leech man's right in front of the elevator. Jeez, I can't get to it.
Oh crap! Crap! I ran out of ammo.
Run away, Vloggy.
Okay,
Run away.
second floor.
No, we're on the second floor. I am.
Okay, so
I think
first
we
floor
need to go
then?
to the First floor?
First
Or
floor then,
B?
yeah. We haven't been to the B. We haven't been to the B yet, but I went to the first now.
Or did we
We can meet wherever you
start
want.
on the B?
Oh!
Oh no! Watch out!
Oh my
Vloggy,
goodness!
get back on the elevator. He's right there.
Oh my goodness! So we need to be to the B. We need to go to the B. Okay, what do we do?
Oh, no.
This way.
Alright.
This way.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, boy.
so much panic.
Oh man. Them damn dogs. I know.
Okay, now which way? Do we wait here for Leechman to show up and then we just go back?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
They
we
keep
should do that.
standing right in front of the elevator.
Yeah. There's a spray. I'll take it. I'm on caution. My goodness. But I'll stay on caution for now.
Okay. Oh, Snake's heading out. Gotta work at 6 a.m. Alright, Snake, take care, man.
See ya, Snake.
We will do our best to survive.
Hopefully you can finish the scenario and start another one. Maybe.
Yeah, I know. Maybe. Hey, it's brutal. Ow! Little leeches in here?
Yeah. Was hanging
Ow.
against your butt. Was hanging on your butt.
Get off my juicy butt. Oops.
Oh, he's here. Out.
Ah!
Ah!
Run away. Help me.
Help me, please. All right, now let's get out of here. We take the B1 then, the B1 floor thingy.
Yeah, we'll go B1.
B1F. There we go.
Yeah. Help
Help me, please. So you know the way now? You know what we need to do next?
No.
Okay.
We need to. No, wait. We're on the right path. We're gonna take. Well, not this room. I think down the hallway there. We're gonna go in that. At the end of the hallway, there's gonna be a door you can use your level 1 card on. Oh no, he's in here already.
No way. Where?
Oh no, sorry. It was just a leech dropping in. I thought that was him. Woo! Freaked me out.
I don't think there's a vent here. In here.
Something's leaking everywhere.
Yeah, but
That's
there's no
pretty
vents here. I don't
scary.
think he's gonna come in.
Okay.
Peekaboo.
Hey! You hide.
Help! Please help!
Is there anything in here? No. Shelf for storing cadavers. Okay, good, interesting, yummy. What's in here? A handgun.
Ow!
I found the handgun, but...
Ah.
Oh, he's coming in! He's definitely coming in.
Okay, running!
He grabbed me! I couldn't get out. Ah! Okay, I did it. I made it out. It's okay. It's amazing. I just couldn't walk out. He just froze and he grabbed me. It's okay. Maybe a glitch. I don't
Okay.
know.
Okay, let's
How am I doing health-wise? Oh, caution on red. Let's take a spray. Okay, now which way?
Straight down the hallway, straight down. Okay,
What about
zombie's
this
gonna
door?
break out here.
What about this door?
He's
He's coming!
coming. Okay, let's go in here. Well, we need to go to the end of the hall, and you use your key card on the door next on the
We'll
next
do
to the
that.
door.
Let's see what's in here first.
What do we got?
There's a vent in here as well. Let's be careful again. There's a first aid spray, yes, which will replace the one I just used. Fantastic. What's glowing?
This is where...
What's glowing over there? Oh, there's leeches. We need to get rid of those leeches. Somehow.
We shoot 'em?
Oh, can I kick them? Yes, I can actually. I'm kicking the
yeah.
leeches. That's good.
Nice.
Okay, call the elevator, yes. Oh, it's recording a password. It needs a password. This is the part. Okay, do you know the password? Do you know the code? Because I can distract the leech with the blood pack. while we put the code in? Actually,
Oh, there's a little manual here that says, a switch to secure level 1 requires a 4-digit code, whereas a change to level 2 requires to be voice code authorization. That doesn't help. We have to find these codes somewhere and put them in so we can go to different floors. But we can go in this room at the end of the hall. That might be where we find what we need. I don't know. I just saw that guy put in codes.
he came in. Leechman came in. Be careful. But no, he's not going for you. Yeah, I placed a pack on the floor because I was thinking.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah, because I was thinking maybe it was time to put the password in. That's why I put it down.
Okay.
It's okay. We're good. I think he's gonna be busy for a while. Well, for a while. I think he eats it real quick. But let's go.
Okay, let's go here. The zombie's gonna break through. I'll shoot the zombie.
Oh, my gun is empty.
Oh,
I got another gun. It's fine. What's in here? Nothing.
Okay.
This is useless. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, now I use the card. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Nice.
Ow. Yeah, making progress.
Making progress. Definitely making progress than last time for sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, which way? Oh, a tent! Zombie! I said a tent. I said in Maltese. Be careful. I said it in Maltese. I said in Maltese. I said a tent. A tent means be careful. It came out in Maltese. Oh, there's another one. Be careful.
I heard.
Oh, watch out!
Ow, ow, okay, let's go through here. I don't know what this is. Let's take it.
Yeah.
Waste liquid disposal room.
Yummy.
Yummy. I know there's definitely something we need. Okay, there's herbs over here. Are you hurt at all?
No, I'm good, I think. Yeah, I'm good.
I'm in cotton. I'm gonna use one of
Take
these
one.
cleaner. Yeah.
Where's that machine gun you've been talking about?
The machine gun, yeah, that's on the roof.
It doesn't look like we're going to the roof. We're going down.
Yeah, we gotta find those codes.
But what about that file we picked up? No, because I'm getting confused. We picked up a file earlier. No, I keep getting confused.
I picked up one file that had like a weird.
Help me, please!
Sorry.
Read our files.
Let's see. Repair work memo. This is nothing to do with piece of memo. Cabinet. No, this has nothing to do with it either. No, none of the files I picked up.
I got red chemical code number, but that doesn't help. I don't think it does. It's a 4-digit code, but I mean, we could try putting it in that computer, see if it does anything.
There's a dead guy here. I think he's gonna stand up the moment I pick something up. Padlock key. I found a padlock key.
Oh, okay, yeah, we definitely need that padlock key.
I don't know what it does.
Anything else? There's something still shining.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! He's standing up.
Oh!
He didn't stand up, but he moved. He's just twitching on the floor.
Yeah, he tried to grab it.
Okay.
Oh, now he's getting up. Ow, yeah.
Okay, we don't need anything from down here then. We just got the key and that's it.
Yeah.
That's it, we're done from here. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go. Lichman's not following us down here. Is he still busy with the pack or something?
Yeah, maybe. It must be using that for a while.
I don't know. I don't think it lasts long. Well, we'll see. There's the zombie still on the floor. Be careful. Now which way? What's this?
Oh, getting up, getting up. Is there anything down there?
No, nothing.
Ow, damn.
This place is a maze. No, wait. Are we back where we started?
Did we just come from here? Yeah.
Yeah, this is where we came. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. We might be
Oh, Leechman is here! Out, 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 out! No, 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 no! Run! Take the door, take the door!
Help me.
Oh, zombies coming in. Be careful.
Oh, well.
Wow. Leechman is here. Wow, he made it. He made it down here. Okay, we need to find a way to padlock. Where do we use the padlock?
He used it a lot further on. I think he used it on the bottom floor once he got access to it to get out. He went through the sewers. So we got. Wait, is this door that we just passed? Is that the one where we put codes in?
I don't know. What's this door? I forgot.
I think that's where we put the codes in, and you put the blood pack down.
Yes, yes, exactly, exactly. But we don't have the code anyway, don't we?
Yeah. Well, I have one code, the red chemical. I mean,
Oh, he's here! He's here! Out! 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 Out!
Oh, never mind, never mind. Oh man.
Whew. Wow, this is not easy. Do you think the code you have is the one? I don't know.
I don't think so. It's called red chemical code.
No, I don't think so. No, I have the same code. No, I don't think it's the same one. No. So shall we take the elevator? What? Or check the
Yeah.
store?
Wait, can we go in this room?
I don't know. Let's see.
I want to say we did, but I can't remember now.
Reposing room.
Oh yeah, we went here.
Yeah, we've been here. We've been here.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Body, yeah.
Okay, so we take the elevator to which floor now? I'm lost again. There has to be a locked door somewhere now.
There's got to be something we missed, or we missed a memo somewhere. Obviously, we need the code. So we go to the first floor. And
Let's
just
try
work
the
our way
first
up?
floor. Yeah, let's go to the first floor. You got me to Google the code real quick? I can do that.
We might need to do that. We're gonna be here all night. Oh, somebody's trying to come in. We'll hold the door.
Antivirus. I'll take the antivirus bill actually. What's there, shiny? There's something shiny over there. What's that? Handgun round.
Oh no, Leech Man!
Oh!
Leech Man's in the room. I'm running out. I'm running out.
Ouch! 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 Help! Oh my goodness!
Oh no!
Okay, this is the end of me. This is the end of me, I think. This is the end of me, I think. I'm limping. I'm limping. I'm limping.
I'm coming.
No.
Where are you? Where are you?
No.
Are you still in the main room?
No. 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 Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. No. 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 Oh, I made it to the second floor. No. No. I left with the elevator. Oh my goodness, that was so close.
Oh man.
That was.
Oh man, now Leech guys.
You get cornered and you don't know what to do.
Okay, Leech guys all over the elevator.
All right, I'm good now. I don't know which floor I'm in. I'm on.
Wow, damn it.
Let's see. I'm on the first floor passageway. If that makes sense. Okay. We got lost now. We got separated again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look around though. Locker room. I don't think this. Well, I'm gonna look around the rooms now, see if I can find the file while I'm browsing rooms anyway.
Okay. Oh, damn it! How do you get rid of these damn leeches?
There's nothing here. I'm in a room we haven't been here, I think.
Okay,
I mean, we've been here, but I don't think it's in the second playthrough. I don't think we've been here the second time around.
Okay.
I'm checking around the rooms, see if I can find something.
Damn it.
Okay, yes, I'm in the safe room. Oh, specialty chemicals. There's some guy. I've never seen him before. He's already dead. There's some guy on the floor. I've never seen him before, but he's dead. Okay, chemicals. Deformed. It's where you took the deformed body, deformed item thing.
Oh.
It's a nice safe room here. I can hang here for a bit.
Man, I forget even how we get to that.
It's okay. I'm heading out. I'm
Oh
just
no!
looking
No!
for.
Oh no! Oh no! And ammo.
Hey, Splitty! Welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for coming in, and thank you for the sub.
What's up, Splitty? I'm in the nurse station.
Oh, come on, there's zombies everywhere. My goodness. Why you got a zombie everywhere?
Oh god, a zombie followed me in here. Jesus! Come on. I need to reload.
Aww. I don't know where I need to go. I don't know where I need to go. I don't think I can open it. Okay. Is the Leechman chasing you? I haven't seen the Leechman in a while.
Ah! I haven't seen Leechman, but I got zombies in every room and I can't
Even me.
reload. Oh, Leechman is here. He's on the second floor. I'm going down to the first.
I can't seem to find anything. Should I Google it real quick? I should have stayed in that room, the safe room.
Yeah. Or at least let's meet up and I can cover you while you're while you're looking.
Nah, I should hang in the safe room.
Yeah.
So we don't waste
definitely.
ammo and all that. I can retrace my steps. Hang on. I can do this. I can do this. Let's go.
You got it. Where's the safe room, on the second floor? Oh no.
Splitty says,
no.
what's up? Says, what's up, Drew? Say hello to Splitty.
What's up? What's up, Splitty? We're just over here doing our S rank outbreak run.
Yeah, we're doing a speed run. It's a joke. I don't think you're gonna. Oh my goodness! Run! Okay, I'm gonna Google it. I don't care. Treatment room. So this is it. This is the treatment room. This is where the safe place. I think. No, it's not.
Treatment
No.
room. Okay.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, I'm gonna hang out in the treatment room while I Google the code.
Okay.
Let's see. So, Resident Evil, Outbreak, Hive, Elevator, code. It finished the rest of the search for me. Okay, hints and
There you
tips.
go.
Let's see. Okay.
I'm gonna hang out on the elevator selection.
Okay,
I
there's
think
three
it's safe now.
combinations actually. There's three combinations. The Hive you need to go to get to B2F, and Rooftop by the elevator code. Okay, there's actually. Oh wow, there's different codes for each floor apparently. No, exactly. That's what it is. There's three different combinations to go to B2F. Okay, we need to find the elevator. I know where we need to go.
Okay, B2 with the.
Hey there! If
Well,
you're
we wanna
seeing
get
this
to the
video, then
computer
you've
where we
made it
put
to
these
one
codes
of
in.
the
Is that what you're
individual
Did I
cheat
just get a
code
pop-up?
pages for a game. And now that you're here, allow it to tell you how to
There's a
find
pop-up
more
that's
cheats
talking.
for this game
What
on
the what?
supercheats.com, as
Huh?
well as
Can you hear it?
other bits
Must
of
be you.
content we
No,
have
that's
on
gotta
this
be you. I don't
website
hear
for
anything.
this game.
There's a pop-up. My goodness, these.
Below this video, you can see a couple of blue arrows
How do
you
I
can
shut
use
her
to
up?
scroll through the other cheats we have for the game. Then you could also hit
Shut up. Okay. So, bringing the game back up. Okay, we need to find the room where we put the code in. Do you know which room that is? I don't know, huh?
I think I'm there now. It's on. If you go to the B1F.
Okay, B1F. I'm
go
coming there.
Down the hallway, and it's the EV control room. Although I
coming.
don't know how long we're gonna be in here without a dude showing up, because I have my blood pack, but we need it to kill him. So we need to at least have. So if I use it now, we don't have it to kill him. We have to get another one. I know we can get more, but let's go to the nurse station or something.
Okay.
Or I'll just distract him outside. Screw it.
Let's see. I'm sure we can do something. Hang on. I'm heading to the. It's B2F then. Yeah, the floor is B2F for sure.
B1F.
B1F. Yes, B2F is where we need to go eventually with the elevator. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I have the codes.
Oh, damn it. A lot of little leeches here.
Let's come on the second floor passageway.
Oh!
What?
He's
What?
here. He's here. These guys here in the hallway.
Which floor are you on?
I'm on the B1F, right in front of the elevator. He's in the main hallway.
Taking the elevator. Yes. I'm going to the
I
B2F.
go on the.
B1F.
go
I
in
keep
the
saying B2F.
reposing room.
B1F and okay. I got the codes. I have the codes. No,
That's
I
the
am
code.
Maltese. I am Maltese. And which? Oh! He's here! He's here!
I told you to just run in the room, right
Yeah.
in the next room, or the first room there.
The green door, yeah.
Yeah, that's where I am.
Reposing
God damn it,
room.
This leech is in here. They
Okay.
do hurt.
Do you have a blood pack?
Yeah, I have one blood pack.
Okay, this is not the right room though. We'll just
No,
wait
no,
here
this
till
is
he
not
shows up. Yeah, we'll just wait here till he shows up and we leave.
Yeah.
Oh, I think he's here. Out.
Oh, there he is. There he is.
No, I'm only Maltese, Splitty. I'm Maltese. True is from the States.
America.
Let's go. This is the door, is it? Is it this door?
The far door on the first left. Yeah, you got it.
Okay. So, you have a blood pack, yeah?
Yeah, if he pops in here, I'll drop it.
Yeah, okay. I think you should drop it right away. Actually, okay, I'm gonna start doing the codes. Yeah, you take care of the leech. Do whatever you want. Hang on,
Alright.
I got the codes. The first one is 3555, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so... Ooh, no,
Oh,
don't do
there
this
he is.
to me,
Put it
game.
down, put it down.
Yes,
Put it down,
so...
put it down.
3, 5, 5. You can go to the second basement. Awesome. Okay, I unlocked the first one, and the second one is 0930.
Oh, man, I can't stop him.
0930. Okay, we're good. Let's take the elevator. Out.
We need to get another blood pack though.
Do we? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, we do. Where do we get another one then?
The nurses station. I think it's on. Dang it, first or second floor.
Run. First or second floor. I'll take the first. Let's go to the first floor.
Okay. Ow! Damn it, these little leeches.
Yeah, we're doing some good progress. We're gonna do this. I'm getting excited now.
We're gonna make it.
First floor is the wrong.
So,
no, I think no. This is the wrong room. Wrong
Oh yeah,
floor.
that's definitely not it. Okay, second. Gotta go to second. Ow! Woo! Do a lap. Wait.
Come on, open the stupid elevator. And get in. Okay, so second floor. Have you noticed that we got more options now in the elevator?
Call the elevator! Oh yeah, rooftop, nice. So we want to go up there and get the big gun?
I'm out of ammo actually. I can't play around with the... I'm gonna take this door. I'm not sure if this is the nurse's station. Is it the nurse's station? No, this is room 202.
Nurse's station should be... I'm in the first floor, it's called nurse's station, right? On the second floor?
Yeah, I'm on the second floor, but this is not the nurse's station for sure.
Okay, I'm in the nurse's station.
Okay, good. You grab the
Oh,
torch.
ow! Oh, there's a freaking zombie in here.
I don't have ammo. I'm just dodging zombies now.
Oh. I have ammo, so...
Yeah, if I could give you my gun, perhaps, then you can reload me. That would be great.
Yeah.
There's a zombie here. I'm gonna kick. 1, 2. Ooh, Leechman! No! Ooh, that dodge was perfect. Okay, got the blood pack. Which floor do we take now? Which floor do we take then?
We need to go... Get back to the elevator.
Okay, I'm in the elevator. Which floor? B2F. I went to B2F, random, because I was being chased.
Okay, let's go B2F.
Be careful because the Leechman's in the hallway. Be careful.
Yep.
Okay, I'm in B2F. Okay.
When I watched it, he went to the rooftop first and got the gun, then went to B2F, but we can... I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Let's take this
We
one.
have to find... There's gonna be a room that we need to lure the Leechman into.
Splitty is Maltese too. Is this the room?
Hey.
Doesn't look like it.
It should be a room, and there's another little room in the room. No, this isn't it. Because there needs to be a room that you can like...
Oh, there's another blood pack here.
Oh, nice. That's convenient.
Okay, wanna check this room?
Yeah.
Fixed temperature experiment room. I think this is it. Temperature room.
Oh, yeah. That's gotta be it. Yes,
Ooh.
this is it. Okay. We need to figure out how to use this thing. Oh!
What?
Oh my god.
What?
He's in here.
Uh-oh, now what? Can you place the blood pack?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can just kill him right now. Yeah, I'm going.
Okay, now what? Okay, he's in here. Get out. Yes, he's in. So what do? I push a button or something?
Yeah, I think the computer here should be it.
Low.
Hi.
I put... Oh, yeah,
Hello?
Hi. We did something. Both of us did something.
Hi, we need to... Yeah.
We did it! Goodbye, Leechman.
Fucking Leechman.
Oh my goodness. The nightmare's over.
No more stalking us.
I clicked low and you clicked high. It didn't work when you clicked high. You saved us. I clicked low.
Like, let's go to a powerful setting it has. I like that.
He's gone. Phew, he's done.
Yes.
I hope.
I hope, yeah.
I hope it doesn't come back. Well, well done, True. Well done. This was all you. Whew. Okay, is he holding something perhaps? Maybe he was holding something.
Yeah. He's got a card we gotta get.
I knew it. This was it. This was the guy. This was the Leechman guy. This was him.
Just him. Normal guy. Where is it? I can't click it.
The card is too hot to touch. Hang on, out of here. We need to press the cold button now again.
Oh. Now we use vlogging strategy.
Yeah, there we go. You gonna do that yourself?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, what's on the floor here?
That does it.
Wow, Leechman didn't waste any time, huh? He just came in right away. We didn't have to wait for him.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I did it. Let's see.
I'm full.
There we go. Yeah,
You got the item? Good. Oh, can I give you my gun, perhaps, and you can reload my gun?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna give you my gun. Are you carrying a key card as well? Oh yeah, the one you just picked up. Yeah.
Yeah. You can probably get rid of yours.
Yeah, I can drop mine as soon as I can. I will.
There we go. I'll load it up.
Here.
Okay, you gave me a first aid spray. I was assuming, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna use my spray actually. Ah, much better. Okay, that's it. We're good here, yeah? Let me just check around to see if we missed anything. Beakers and test tubes. No, we're good. Let's get out. Wow, I'm so happy we made some good progress.
Oh, I know. Okay.
This Leechman was a nightmare.
Now we know next time how to kill him quick.
And now I have a loaded gun as well. It's all good.
Alright. Okay. So now we can go to the roof and get the gun, and then I think we exit on this level somewhere. We must.
We haven't.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's stupid little leaks are still around, but
Well, we can't exit the building through the ground floor because it's full of zombies. So I'm assuming maybe we can take the roof and we can get out of the roof. I don't know. Let's see what.
I think it's the well, not the ground floor, but the sewer. I think we escaped.
Oh, do we? Okay, interesting.
I think so.
What's this door? This door is locked. We need a car key. I think the one you. I think the car key you got though.
Oh, okay. We could probably. Do you want to get the gun or not?
What gun? Is there a gun? Where?
On the rooftop, yeah.
Yeah, I would like that. Yes, please.
Yeah, let's do that before we go down here. Cause oh man, I'm 78%. Jeez, where are you?
I haven't checked. I took the door now. Good morning, Tristan. Welcome to the stream. We're playing some Resident Evil Outbreak again. Underpass entrance.
What's up, Tristan?
Oh, this is the way out. Oh, this is the way out.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's ammo here. There's a lot of ammo here.
Oh yeah, I'm at 80% climbing.
I'm 68 actually. Alright, we need to get to the roof, do we, first?
Yep.
Okay,
and on the elevator, I'm going up to the roof.
Coming.
And it's not like it's a big deal, it's just one little area at the rooftop, that's really it. You can grab the gun, because I have ammo and stuff. You can just trade out your handgun, maybe. Or one of your handguns, I don't know if you have two.
I'm on 70 now, come on. So, rooftop, okay, good.
Ow, 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 there's crows. Oh my god.
Crows, uh-oh. Time for me to kick some crows. Oh, we're on the roof.
Oh no, it's not.
Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Where's the gun?
Ow, 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 ow.
Oh my goodness.
Check it out,
I can't.
Should have. Oh, I'm hurt. I gotta use this herb. Ninja.
Oh, did you see that? I kicked the crow.
Did you kick it?
Yeah.
Ow, damn it. Dude, dive bombing me.
I can't find the gun though. Where's the gun?
I don't know. The guy went up here and got the gun. No response. He go faster.
Oh, there it is. There it is. I see it. No,
You got
it's not. No, it's a shadow. It's the crow on the floor. I thought it was a gun. Where's the gun? Ow, damn it. No gun. No.
Dang.
I'm just combining an herb real quick. No, not the card key. I don't want the card key. Not the card key. Not the card key. Where's the gun? There's no gun.
Maybe we have to kill this crow. I don't know. This crow is really bugging me. Ow, damn it.
No, I think maybe we're playing on a different setting, perhaps.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, hang on. There's an area here. No, same thing.
Alright, I guess not.
Okay, let's get out.
Alright.
Never mind.
Yeah.
Hang on. What's the? Oh, nothing. Let's go. So we're going to B2F, yes?
B2F.
Let's go.
You already found the door out, apparently.
Yes, I went there already, but oh, man.
Ooh, we gotta hurry. Is this door right here?
Yes. No, that one. No. One over here. Oh man, this is a boss fight. I know there's gonna be a boss fight here.
Oh yeah, there's gotta be. Man, I thought we get the machine gun.
Yeah. Okay. So there's a memo over there. You can have it. There's an herb here. You can have it. What's this? No, the green herb. No, the green herb. What's this? It's like a... Ah, the boat is changed. Okay, so I have the padlock. I have the padlock key, so I can use it.
Ah, there we go.
We did it.
Hey, look at us escaping.
Well, this was all you, huh? I had no idea.
Hey, you got them codes.
Yeah, well, that was cheating. I helped us cheat. Alright, now what?
I guess we go.
Plastic canteen filled with fuel. It may explode. Okay, what? It may explode if I damage it. Okay, don't damage it. So we may have to shoot at it probably for something. Oh, there's something here. What's this? What's that?
Ooh, first aid spray. I'm gonna
take
go.
that.
You have an item open. You grab it. You have space. I don't know if we need this level 2 card anymore, so you grab the
We
first
don't.
aid
No,
spray
we don't
just
need
in
it.
case.
It's a boss
I
fight
don't
here.
think
I'm
we
sure
do.
of it.
Okay.
Let's go.
There we both.
Operated.
Both
Yes.
got healing items. Yes.
Underpass
Oh, man.
entrance.
Here we go. This is now we gotta fight the giant creature in RE4 on the lake.
Similar. It's a similar thing.
Get your harpoon.
There it is. There it is.
Oh!
Look at you!
Oh! Help me!
Look at all those kids.
Ooh. Oh boy.
That doesn't look pleasant. Alright,
Nah,
okay,
that's pretty
okay.
gross.
What do we do now?
I don't know. I didn't watch the boss fight.
Whoa, run! No, I don't think you're damaging it, to be honest with you.
Oh, okay.
I think we need to lure him towards the Ooh, I got damaged. We need to find a way to drag him towards the end of the next to the thing, where there's the fuel canteen. We need,
Yeah.
but in order for us to do that, we need to get close to him, and then
Well, let me see.
we need to keep doing this.
Interaction.
We need to keep getting close to him or something like this.
Oh.
Look, see, he's getting closer, but we have to get close. Ooh, watch out, poison. We don't need that in our lives. Come get it.
Watch this. This is what I feel like the vibration coming from the pipe.
I need to run towards him and then run away from him. So we keep like luring him towards the entrance, because the entrance
Yeah.
quite far away.
I can't move it.
Quite far
Can't move
away.
the thing. I'm coming back.
Hang on, what are those? Those like there's like valve handles at the top. Maybe we can shoot those? I don't know.
Yeah?
I don't know. I'm just trying to think outside the box.
Maybe. I'm coming. There's something up with this bridge. I don't know if we can do anything. The water patches is near. 3R2 alerts below.
Sure.
Like a weird thing to say. We couldn't do something about it. Oh, I'm at 90. Oh god, we need to kill this guy. Oh!
What?
You can!
Okay.
Shoot these team things.
I need to.
I waited for this first one, that's not bad, but you can.
Ouch! He hit me. Come on, Mr. Leech Man. I have to keep getting closer to him and then run away so he comes closer. He needs to get.
Oh! Oh yeah, ouch, yeah.
I need to find a way to make him come closer to. Ah! We can do that. Come on, bud. Come on. Oh my god. I'm still on fine. Okay. But
Over there!
I'm on 77. Ouch! 78.
Oh wow, I'm on
Come on. Come on. You gotta get closer to this guy. Come on, man.
Is he moving?
He is moving, but very, very slowly, and we don't have time to waste. Come on.
I'm at 91%.
Come on. He is coming slowly, but very slowly. You are a very slow swimmer, Mr. Lee. Come on. Step back, because he's gonna hit you. He's getting closer.
Move back.
This is the only way, I think, it works. Are you getting closer to the pipes? Oh.
Well, I hit this first one just to see if it even did anything, so we gotta throw the second one just further back.
This needs my ammo, actually. What am I doing? Ouch. Come on, come on. He's dropping really slowly.
Oh, God. Oh.
Oh. I'm on 80% now, my goodness.
I'm on 93.
Are we gonna make this?
I don't know. This guy is so slow.
Come on, we are gonna make this. Come on, we are gonna make this. Ouch. I can stop moving.
Yeah, I'm gonna move past that pillar.
What if I do this? No, I don't think it works. Oh, now it's a bit rough.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Got a new attack? Oh, whoa. Going forward a lot less now.
Yes. Keep doing that. Come on. Come on. Ooh!
Okay, here's the second valve. I actually set the first one.
So this is the second one. Okay. There's three then. Total, yeah?
Yeah.
Ouch! Oh, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Hey, Super Crier, welcome! We're playing some RE.
Super Crier!
Playing some RE with Mr. Nightfall. Fall. Nightfall. Are you really? Seriously? No, please don't die.
Super Crier, help! Help! Help me, please!
Please help me!
Please help me.
Help me, please!
Help me, please! That's my favorite. Okay, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Is it now? Do I shoot now? Do I shoot now? Do I shoot now?
That one I already used. There's no point.
Oh, my gun is empty. My gun is empty. Oh, and I think I got poisoned now. Okay, you take care of... No, you take care of shooting that. You take care of shooting.
Okay,
You got him?
well, it did the exact time you were it, but...
Ooh, run.
Wow.
Okay, run. We need to find a way. Dragon. I feel vibration coming from the pipe. It said feel vibration coming from the pipe.
Yeah, that's what mine said. I don't know what that means. Then it says water passage visible. I mean, I don't know what to do about that.
Weird. I should have looked at the walkthrough. Okay, let's try dragging him closer again. See if it works.
I didn't think the boss would be so slow. Oh! Yeah. The thing,
Yeah, me neither. Be careful. I'm on 84%. What are you at?
Oh, you don't want to know.
I don't.
90% of it.
You're gonna die. I'm gonna count this as a win anyway. I'm gonna count this as a win anyway, because come on.
This is a win. This boss is BS.
He is. Ouch.
We got killed by time, not like difficulty.
Exactly what it is.
Got fire up this time.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get out of it.
Reloading.
Am I even damaging him? That's the question.
Wow. I don't know. It makes a little noise like hitting something.
Ooh, look at him coming closer now. Oh, my gun is empty. My gun is empty. Oh. Be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful.
Watch out, Vloggy, watch out, Vloggy. He's moving fast now.
Oh, I'm reloading, run! Careful, careful, careful.
Oh, he's coming.
Okay.
Going fast now.
We need to save. Oh, there's another one of these Vibe Hunters. There's another one of these. Yeah, so maybe come closer.
Oh, Vloggy, take this equipment from me. I'm about to be a zombie. Take the first aid spray.
Thank you very much. You go die somewhere.
Take the ammo.
You guys go die somewhere, please.
Ammo, I have ammo, I have ammo, I have ammo.
I'll take the ammo as well. You're gonna die. Oh, don't die on me.
Quick, 50%. Okay, run away. I'll try and get out of the room. You're so close to the flame thing though. It will explode. I'll try and leave the room. Okay, I'm out of the room. So I won't zombie attack you. 99.8, 99.9.
You're done. You're a zombie, are you?
99.9, 100%. I'm a zombie.
Stupid game. It's stupid. It's so
breaking.
stupid. Oh man.
Maybe I could just block the boss. No, I don't want to block the boss. I want to let's stay over here. Wander around. Like.
We've got PewDiePie in the house. Hey PewDiePie, welcome to the stream. I kid you not. I know you're not PewDiePie, but welcome, buddy.
What's up, fake PewDiePie?
What's up, fake PewDiePie? How's it going, buddy? How's it going, bro?
What up, bro? Yeah. Gun back. I'm gonna watch your stream. Sorry to anybody watching my stream.
He's not even getting closer. Come on, man. Get closer. Oh my goodness! I just did something. I just killed him. I think.
What?
I just killed him with shooting, with bullets. That's how I did it.
Oh, we could have been doing that the whole time.
Yeah, exactly. Come on. We did it. Now what do? I just walk towards the...
Flame?
Yeah, maybe walk towards the flame. I don't know.
I guess. Oh yeah, I just saw it on your stream. Yeah, you said it.
Now what? We could have done that together.
Oh man.
Now what? Okay, I did it. But I'm on my own. Oh, I wish I've been together.
Now I wonder.
PewDiePie actually asks me if you... I was asking you if you remember him.
Existed.
I remember.
Things of that
Yeah, I was like,
strange.
Nightfall dude, you remember me?
If I keep
Well, I
walking,
know like of
Can I
PewDiePie,
awake from
I
this
don't
dream?
know you. I don't think so.
Are you a fan of the
man.
Poods? Are you a fan of the Poods?
Have you been in my streams before under a different name or something? Maybe.
Maybe. It's not Stephen, is it?
Oh, goddamn Steven.
Okay, so exit. Oh man, you didn't make it.
Oh, I'm watching the cutscene now.
You didn't make it. Wanna go again?
Oh, hell no.
Hell no.
Help me.
Present continue. Yes. Okay, we're saving. Let's try. Let's start the next scenario. I don't know what to expect from the next scenario. I don't think I ever finished. I don't think I ever did it. Okay, press any button. Okay, let's start a new one. I don't know. I forgot what the next one's called. Let's see. So exit. Oh man, I'm so bummed out that you died. You didn't make it.
The stupid disease too. Not even like with a boss or a zombie or something.
Oh well. Okay, so getting information. So, difficulty very hard. I'm kidding. Okay, the next one's called Hellfire. I don't know what to expect. Finish.
Hellfire, that sounds
Yeah.
pleasant.
Okay. The room is ready.
Okay, I'm joining.
Entry,
I'm
please.
I'm in.
Starting the game. Okay, let's enjoy the cutscene because I don't even know anything about this scenario. I don't know anything.
Let's see.
Oh, by the way, I did see your stream. I saw the icons. I don't know if I told you. I saw the icons that you put. So funny. Let's see. Cutscene.
What's that?
It's you and me running again.
Oh no. Oh boy. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Where did we go? Eppelin? No? What's this?
Creepy door.
Hey, is anybody there? Len, you take downstairs. What's that? It's gonna blow! Get out!
Okay.
Okay, I don't know what to expect, really, I don't know. So this is why it's called Hellfire, apparently. Everything blew up or something.
Yeah, I guess everything's on fire.
Okay. I can deal with that. No more leech, man.
Alright. Yeah, please
Okay.
no more leeches.
Here we are. Equip the
there
gun.
they are.
Equip the gun. The gun.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I memorized the map. What else? Let's look around first. Oh, there's an herb over there.
Let me get the map. Memorize the map.
You can pick up the herb if you want.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness, I hear liquors.
Liquor! I see it on the window over here. If you come over here, you can see it
Oh
crawling
my
up.
goodness. Nice, huh?
Damn. Liquor is not good.
Okay. We're getting all kinds of flavors in this RE game. We have to deal with hunters, leechmen, and now lickers. Lovely. Alright, so this is the way. This is the only way, I think.
Yeah, the doors
Yeah.
by the other dude.
Let's go. This way. This way. Oh my goodness, we have to deal with
Here we-
lickers. No. Do we just run away from them, perhaps? Maybe we
I
should.
know. That's pretty much
Help me,
it.
please! Help me, please! Thanks. Go! Come on, thanks!
Oh, what's going on?
Oh,
At the same time in the boiler room. Something's gonna happen in the boiler room. Okay. Ah, you know the guy.
oh, I'm just looking in the radio.
Excuse
Ah,
me.
it's the radio.
Ah,
What?
You see all he said was what?
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 Shit.
Really?
Yeah, that's not helpful. Charlie's ID tag, will you take it? Yes? That better come in handy and not just be another useless item like a diary.
True. Yeah. Looking around, see if there's anything useful. I picked up a...
Got a pipe?
I picked up a pipe. Oh, what's here? Nice
weird
camera
angle
angle.
here.
Yeah. Oh, so it shows us up there. We need to
Yeah.
pick up something from up there as well.
Oh, okay.
Weird camera
Yeah.
angle.
Yeah.
Help me, Please! Thank you.
Thank you.
Here! Go now! Come on! Come on!
Come on, fat ass!
Lens ID tag. Oh god.
No, I don't know
I
what's
guess
gonna
I'll
happen.
hold on to them for. I don't know. until
There's a
they're
door
not
here.
easy.
Let's go.
Alright. I better not like replace them later and then at the very end of the map like, okay, insert the 2 ID tags to exit. Like what?
Okay, now. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh, whoa, get out!
Thank you very much. Oh, he's coming back up. He's gone. He's down. Boink. Takes a while for them to drop.
Yeah. I took like 7 rounds. That's not cool. Man, this camera angle is not helpful.
What's in here? Oh, okay.
I hear a liquor.
Yeah, so do I. Not good. Oh, zombie's coming this way. Oh, the fire. Oops, it's dangerous.
Oh.
Seriously, the zombie's not gonna get burned? Really? Okay.
Oh.
Oh, he is getting burned.
Oh,
He is getting burned.
got on fire.
Yeah, let's keep drawing him this way. Let's keep drawing. Yes, keep doing. Oh, it fell. Good.
Freeze.
I keep
Freeze
hearing the
something.
liquor. I don't
Oh.
like the liquor. I
Yeah.
don't like the liquor sound. I think we should
Should we
just
go in
dodge. Yeah, let's go in here. We should just dodge, next time he shows up now.
Yeah.
Nah,
yeah,
the
definitely.
liquor, because they're quite agile. We're not gonna keep up with the bullets and aiming and all that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Dead end.
Oh, okay. Yep.
So what is this? A hotel room? A hotel?
Yeah.
Looks
where
like
are
a
we?
hotel. What's this?
Oh, I think we can go after.
Yeah, but there's a room
Oh.
here. Do you want to check out the room first?
Oh. Yeah.
Just
yeah,
in
yeah.
case. Help me, please!
Help me.
Room 301. Maybe there's something interesting in here. Who knows?
Alright.
That's why it's called Hellfire.
see
Oh,
what one
you want to check out the room? The other room? The bathroom? Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you very much. You're saving my butt all the time.
Help me.
There's nothing in here. Oh, he's coming back up. Hold on, I'll take care of him.
Okay. Oh, there's a red herb. Oh, I got a green. I'll combine them. Combining herbs.
I don't feel like taking a rest right now. If you check the bed, that's what it says.
Are you sure? It seems so nice.
Let's
we
check
go
this
in here.
door. Yeah.
Oh,
It's a bathroom. Let's see what's this. I don't need to take the dump. Iron pipe. Do you want the iron pipe? You can have it if you want.
I guess I'll try. I'm kind of low on ammo, so I'll use it for now.
I'm actually gonna quit the iron pipe actually because I only have 3 bullets. I only have 3 bullets. Nothing suspicious in the bathtub. Toilet. Come on, say something funny about the toilet. No.
I don't have to poop now.
I don't have to poop now. I wish it said that. Alright, now let's check out the balcony, yeah.
Yeah.
You see, this is more relaxing so far. So far.
Yeah.
It's more relaxing. We're checking out rooms, we're handling a zombie or 2, and that's it.
Yeah, I don't need to be stressed out on every room I go into.
Exactly. Oh, there's a herb. Can I have it?
Okay.
Unless
Yeah. So it's all yours.
I'm gonna have it because I'm
full
cautious.
anyway. I have these. I'm gonna get rid of these stupid ID tags as soon as I can, though. Oh, we can walk this way.
Ooh, be
Oh
careful.
god, this zombie's gonna knock me off.
There's a zombie.
Hey, so I punching against the window.
Yeah.
Something bad's gonna
Expected.
happen.
Yeah.
Oh, well, nope.
Or maybe I should expect it now. Oh, this is not good, man. I'm gonna expect it. Ooh, did you see that? Did you see that? Look how I stopped. Look, I just stopped like this and he just... Ooh.
I saw it.
Hey, Jacksepticeye, welcome to the stream, buddy. We're playing some Resident Evil Outbreak multiplayer with... Did you just... No way, no way, no way, no way. Help me, let me help you up. Hang on. Can you climb yourself up?
I'm coming up. Yeah. Oh.
You scared me, huh? You scared me. Oh, no!
Oh my god! You're stepping on my fingers!
Be careful, don't climb up now. You're gonna get the same thing again. Careful, man.
What?
This is the funniest part of the game.
Help me, please! Help! Help! Thank you.
Move quickly!
Vloggy,
Help me, please!
You should check your health. How's your health? Oh, you're still fine. Okay, so it was just
I'm
a gimmick, probably.
Yeah.
That was funny. That was so funny. Okay, we want to check the door before we head down?
Yeah, let's finish this level off, I guess.
Should I use the herb? I'm on yellow caution. I'm gonna save it for now. The door is tightly shut. I feel mass. What does it say? I feel mass amounts of heat coming from inside, so there's no way to get in.
Oh.
So
Let me get the backdraft.
oh, my head is in your butt right now.
Oh, wow, that's a little close for comfort there, buddy.
Yeah, as I was saying, welcome to the stream, Jack. Sorry, I'm playing some Outbreak with Drew. The Drew Nightfall.
What's up, Jack? Was this the only way or is there a way over here?
This is your first time here. Feel free to subscribe and also check out Drew. He's kind of neat. He's an expert. He's an expert when it comes to Code Veronica.
Oh, God.
Oh, there's a zombie over there. Yeah. Okay, there's this door. Let's check out. Hang on. Oh, there's someone on the floor here. Fire warning. Take it. Yes. Let's check out this door. It's locked. I need to get it. Go.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Back up.
Ooh.
Back up. You're gonna get melee, son.
I'm gonna throw it at him. Hang on. Did you see that?
Whoa! How'd you do that?
Because when it gets really bent, I mean, at one point he's gonna stand up again. He's gonna stand up. Be careful. He's gonna stand up.
Bash him.
Yeah. Now he's gonna throw it.
Oh
no!
I didn't do it fast enough.
You see?
Here we go.
Did you just?
Okay. I got 7 bullets left.
But yeah, he's
Card
still
reader.
not dead yet. He's still not dead.
Damn.
Let's
We need
check
a
out
card
this door. Yeah, we need the card reader. Check this door out
I mean,
first.
not a card. We need. Oh yeah. Need a card.
This game really is good. You should check it out, Jack. It's really good.
Yeah.
But
crazy.
it's fun. It's fun when it comes to multiplayer. I mean, on your own, the
Oh, yeah.
AI is a bit off.
Oh yeah. Let's check the lockers. What we got here?
I got some rounds, but it's not working with the gun I have. I
Oh,
got some rounds,
okay.
but they're not.
That's alright. There's a green herb here. Do you want to take it? Because you're kind of injured already.
Yeah.
45 auto rounds. Is that your round?
Maybe
45
they
auto
are.
rounds on the table there.
Yeah, maybe they are. Check out my bullets. Maybe you can use them. Hang on, I'm gonna present them.
Okay. Let me see.
Okay, do you know Jacksepticeye?
Do I know him?
Yeah, do you know him? Because he said True is too fat to fit my subscription box.
What the hell? I don't know him. Damn, that's rough. Jeez, what'd I do to you, man?
But he's just trolling. He's just. Oh my god.
yeah. Oh wait, I picked up a.
I picked up a
There's
battery.
a journal there. Battery?
Yeah, I picked up a battery. I don't know what it does. Let's see if
Okay.
these bullets are good for me.
This journal says something about the codes. Let me. The key card.
Yeah, the bullets you gave me are good.
Oh, okay, nice.
What about the ones I gave you? Are they compatible with your gun?
Yeah, they work with mine.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So we should memorize this. The white box, the silver box, kind of, they're mine, and the red black is yours. If we find more.
Okay, yeah. Oh wait, this is talking about where the key card is. That number lock on the south door should be enough. What a pain. Todd left a card key in the bathroom. I brought it to him. I told him to keep it together with his daughter's photo. He seemed embarrassed. Sure can be a jerk. Strange noise from the boiler room gets louder. Okay, that doesn't really help us. Maybe there's a key card in a bathroom somewhere. Vloggy twirling around.
Yeah, let's get out of here. We're done here. Jack is just kidding. He's gonna check us both out. Well, if you love Resident Evil, you're in the right place.
Oh,
Let's go.
See. Bullets. Bullets. Bang, bang, pow.
These camera angles, you don't know what's around the corner. I love them.
Yeah.
Let's check out this door.
Wait, this way?
Oh, there's an herb. You can, how are you? You can pick it up. Oh, you're full. I'm gonna pick it up, but I'll pick it up
full.
for you. I'll pick it up for you
Yeah.
because you're holding those tags, and those are useless, I think.
Yeah.
I think.
Once we get something else, I'm gonna start replacing.
Ooh, what? Check this out. It seems to have collapsed due to the fire. Ooh, the spelling. No, it seems to have collapsed. No, that's good grammar.
Whoa.
That's collapsed due to the fire. I can't get to the other side. Okay. Okay.
That's a creepy angle.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
that's it. We're done.
Oh, windows. Staying away from those. Oh, zombie.
Ooh, zombie.
Maybe we can run past. Oh.
I love your aim. I love your aim so much.
I know.
I love
That
your
dance
pose.
was legit.
Your pose is amazing. Okay, which way now? I got
see
the battery,
fire.
but I don't know what the battery does. I got the battery, but I don't know where I'm supposed to take the battery.
That's probably important though. That's got to be something useful. Unlike my stupid dog tags I picked up.
Oh, we haven't been in this room.
Okay.
We haven't been in this
Got to be
room.
something in here.
Yeah.
Another herb.
Oh, hang on. What's this?
Then you can. Do you want to
No.
combine herbs and stuff?
Actually, I was looking. Oh, there's another. Hang on. No. You can have the herb. You can have the herb. What's this?
Dog tag. Well,
'Cause
do
I
you
was-
want to combine your two herbs?
I should. Yeah, I'll just
Or
combine
keep
them. Yeah,
them.
combine. Good. I was trying to see if I could pick up that extinguisher, perhaps, but I'm gonna take this.
Yeah.
It seems to be nothing useful here. Okay, there's nothing.
Oh, shotgun rounds here.
Ooh, nice.
I'm gonna leave one of those ID tags and take the shotgun. rounds
Yes,
just
yes.
for-
Do that. Yeah, do that.
Hopefully we find that shotgun somewhere.
Something is not right here. Hang on. What's this? Oh, security room card key. All right, I'm gonna drop an
Hey,
herb.
there we
I'm gonna
go.
drop an herb on the floor.
Well,
Actually, you know what? Hang on.
keep the herb. I'll jump the ID tag.
No, you know what I'm gonna do? Hang on. I can combine the bullets. Combine with the gun. Oh, I have two left. I'm not gonna waste them.
No, I'll take it. Because I got the ID tag I can get rid of.
Alright, so I picked up the security card key and you take the herb. There's a lot of stuff here. There's first aid spray.
Hey, pick up the thing?
Yeah, I picked up the tag.
I'll replace the tag with a first aid spray.
Yeah, we know where the tags are anyway, just in case we need them.
Yeah.
They're there in this room. Probably a security guard that worked here. He's not breathing anymore. Okay. That's it. There's nothing else here, isn't there? In this room.
Yeah.
Wondering where I need to use the.
We passed that door. Remember?
Yeah.
With the key card reader.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh,
now.
Jack talking. I see Jack on your stream.
Yeah,
Nice-
Jack is
nice
pulling our
work,
legs. Yeah. He's pulling our legs.
Hey, this character is legit.
Legit.
Help me, please.
Okay, third route, you have to say it. Say it.
Okay, here we go.
Help me, please!
I love it.
It even did the one I wanted. That was
Exactly, just the right one.
Help! Help me, please!
perfect. Come on.
Alright, so this is the room, yeah?
Come on. Yeah, in here.
You see, I'm enjoying this. I am enjoying this run because this run is okay. It's chill. We're picking up items, dealing with a zombie
Yeah.
or two, exploring rooms. I'm expecting.
Oh, we didn't go.
Do we go this way?
We didn't go this way. I don't know if we can go somewhere. Oh, there's two doors.
Yeah, there's two doors. Let's check out this one first.
Oh, wait. Something's on the floor. Oh, it's first aid spray. I don't know. If
Wow,
you...
so many healing items. It worries me when I find so many healing items, huh?
Yeah,
When-
I'll replace my herbs with the first aid spray just because it's better. Might as well have two first aid sprays.
Yeah, it heals bleeding, actually. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, we got a little fire situation here.
We got a hole. A big hole open in the floor. It's dangerous to drop down, of course, I imagine. Is there anything else in
Red
here?
herb on that shelf.
Oh yeah, red herb. So many healing items. It worries me that they're so... Oh, look at this. I have an idea. Time to push. Yeah, I
Oh.
figured.
Oh,
Be careful.
I didn't even need to do that.
And that's it.
I don't know if that
Now what?
did something good.
Not sure. Do we push the other... Oh, okay.
Whoa!
Ah, okay.
Oh!
Nice.
Okay, I'm going down, I guess.
I'm
Okay.
following. Ooh,
There
the
we
camera
go.
angle, though.
This is a smoky room. We gotta be careful in here. I see some sparkling up here. A registry is placed on the shelf. Security box, duplicate.
The question is, can we climb back up again?
There's a door in here.
Yeah.
But
there was also another door up there that we missed. Oh, ouch, the fire. There was also another door that we missed.
There's a door in the room right above us? Oh no, you mean in the hallway, yeah.
Yeah, no, wait. Let's check out this door now. Yeah, let's check out this door while we're here. We have some key items anyway. Like I said, I have the battery and I have the key card. So
yeah,
we've got a few puzzles solved, I think.
Yeah. Let's see, where are we? Well,
ooh, I don't like.
Here.
Yeah, the liquors.
Something's here.
That's the liquor. Let's check out this door.
Go on here.
Yeah. Let's not deal with liquor. Ooh. What? I just dodged a tongue. I just dodged the tongue. Whew.
Oh.
Wow.
Man.
Okay.
Let's hope they don't go indoors.
We need to be careful, huh?
Door there.
Oh, there's an first aid spray here as well. Oh, there's a note. Let's check that out.
Umbrella noodles.
Just an address. Room service, afternoon tea, laundry. No, there's just the charge. Just the receipt. Why did I pick this up?
Oh. Hey, there's a safe here.
You wanna watch some TV? Oh, there's a safe. Is it asking for a combination? Enter the code. Yes, it is. Okay, hang on, because I did pick up a note. Oh, no. Yes. All right, let me hang on, because I found the file. Because I found the file earlier. File, not this one. Okay, Mr. Andrew Evans and Anna Lowell. Oh, okay. This is a copy of the guest lists of the guests in this hotel. And now I found the hotel charge break room. This is charging J. Wilson. So this is the room of Mr. Wilson, or whoever his Wilson is. So I have the password for Wilson. I just have to check the file.
Oh,
Wilson is DCH. Okay, let's try it. Enter the code. So it's
Detective Vloggy.
CH. It did something. I heard a beep. You have successfully released the door lock. Awesome! What's inside?
Hey, what do you get?
A silver key. Okay, I don't have enough room to carry all this because I already have 2 items. You want to check what's inside?
Yeah.
There's a silver key. I don't know what it does, and I think there's something else as well.
Man, do I want to give up shotgun rounds or first aid spray?
Well, the shotgun rounds are kind of useless right now. You're carrying them. I mean, we can always come back for them.
I know where it is.
Yeah. Anything else? Is there anything else in the? Or is it just that?
Oh, now it says you can't take any more of that item.
Oh, okay.
I think that means everybody can get a copy of that key, but I don't think we can get those shotgun rounds anymore.
Okay, so I think we're good in this room. Oh, there's a bathroom.
All right. Man.
Oh, there's a dead guy. Oh, are you dead?
Oh.
Hello, sir. Shh, please be quiet. That thing is very sensitive to noises. Oh, he's talking about the liquor. Damn, I'm not gonna make it. I'm bleeding. Keep your guard up. That thing's tongue is no response. He seems to have died.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was quick.
If it was me in his position, I would have told you. I hit a rocket launcher in the. And then I died.
It's right in the.
Okay. I head out. Okay, so here's what we do. We don't run. We walk slowly, okay? Next to the liquor. We walk. We don't run. We just walk. Maybe if we just walk, we'll see. Because apparently they're sensitive to loud noises. And apparently liquors are blind. Oh, there he is. Okay,
oh, he's on the wall. He's on the wall.
Yes, just walk. Nope. Take this door.
Oh! You took that door?
Yeah, that was the closest door.
There's another door down the hallway.
If you want to check out the other room, it's fine.
I don't know.
Wait, this is the way we came from. No, this is the way we came
I know. So we're gonna head back up.
Sorry.
So we want to check the rest of the area out.
Yeah, let's go. Sorry, my bad. My bad.
Just go quick.
Jack thinks we are very cool. Jack thinks we guys are so cool. Thank you, Jack.
So cool. Or
thank you, Jack. Nah, he means it. I can smell.
Oh, this is the door with the key. Here we go.
Let's go.
Unlock it. Let's go.
Get in.
Get in.
Whew. I have a tendency of not aiming towards the door. Like, I keep running to the sides, like hugging the sides of the door. Like, no, no, not this side. Okay, so we made it here.
Oh. We're in another hallway. Jeez. I'm gonna get lost here now.
Yeah.
There's too many options.
Take this door.
Go in this door. Apple in square.
Jack asked me if we are best friends.
We're BFS.
We're BFFFFFF. Ooh. Oh, look where we are. This is the way we came from.
Oh, that's the corpse that was blocking it.
Shall we go back? Go back to the one we came from?
Yeah, I guess. Let's kill this guy again.
Ooh, he teleported. Sleep on my screen.
Yeah. Alright.
Let's go.
There.
But I mean, lag is very minimal. I'm happy with this. There's no lag.
Yeah.
Barely any lag.
It's not a huge issue.
Yeah. I wonder what it's like with 4 people though.
Well, that'd be interesting. I'm gonna reload here.
I should reload too. Well, combine. And now I have an extra slot as well. I can carry something.
Oh yeah, I don't think I need this key anymore, so if we get something else, I can replace the key.
That's weird. It's a dead end. Oh, there's a gun on the floor, I think. Magnum.
Yeah, wanna grab it?
Please say it's a Magnum.
Sure. Is it a Magnum? I don't know. You can have it.
You can have the gun if you want. You gave up the shotgun shells earlier, so take the gun. It's fine.
I'll just replace the key. I guess that key just lets you get a little shortcut here, but I mean, we don't really know the level layout, so it doesn't really help us.
Ooh, did we cross this area?
Oh, I don't think so. We got a zombie over there.
Hang on. I'll take care of it. Ooh, he teleported again.
Yikes! Yeah, that guy did. That wasn't cool.
Okay, run. Because the door's down. We'll take this door. Oh, it's locked. It looks flimsy though. It looks flimsy. We can take him down. We can take that door down if we kick it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, if we keep doing this, we can unlock the door for sure. It looks flimsy.
How do you kick?
Brace yourself. Brace yourself.
Someone's coming. A zombie's coming. Hang on.
Oh! Ah!
Look, it's Barry! Barry twice. Welcome, Barry. Let's keep this door open.
What's up, Barry?
I always thought that Resident Evil was stupid for, you know, it's the end of the world, there's a zombie outbreak, why are we worrying about keys to open doors? Let's just blast the door open. And this Resident Evil actually made it a reality. We can take doors down. If, you know.
Oh shit!
You don't know how to kick. You know the button you used to run? You aim and then you press, and then you press the button that you used to run with. I guess yours just defense.
My character just goes into a blocking stance.
That's weird. Interesting. That's okay. I thought you can shove. I've seen you shove zombies before though.
Yeah, let me unequip my gun.
Thank you so much for the sub, Jack. It's up to both of us. Say thank you, Drew. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I've seen you do that before.
Oh, thanks, Jack.
I'm sure we can open this if we keep.
Come on.
There we go. You see?
Hey.
And that saved us some ammo because we could have shot it a couple of times and opened it right away.
Yeah.
But at least we saved some ammo. Okay, this area looks dangerous.
Oh, okay. Let me equip my gun again.
Oh, there's a zombie on the floor. Be careful. There's a lot of zombies on the floor. Careful.
Oh yeah.
Because they're twitching, kind of.
Okay, I see a door over there.
Yeah, but I don't think we can cross. Can we get there?
Oh.
Run! Run! The zombie's chasing us!
Not cool, zombie. Not cool. Get the door, get the door.
He's fighting me.
Ow, get off him.
No, it's fine, don't worry. Oh, this door opens. I really want to test to see if it's open, but it's open.
Alright.
Hey, Blessed Warrior, welcome to the stream. Finally, you're back. He's like,
what?
Yes, we're back. We're back for more. Watch out for that zombie. Let's hug the wall. Ooh! Ah!
Oh no!
Take that. Son of a biscuit.
Oh, there's the
Careful.
shotgun.
Take the shotgun. Swap it with the gun that you picked up, and I'll take the gun. Yeah, I'll take the gun myself.
Yeah.
I'll take the handgun. I'll trust you'll make good use of it.
If only we had those bullets still. Okay, we can't go this way.
We can go back for them. I mean, we know where they are.
We can't though, because the thing is it's the key item now.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's like a specific glitch situation.
Hmm.
Because it's an unlimited use key item that anybody can get over and over.
Alright, so. Oh, the fire! The fire is real.
Whoa.
Oh, I'm in danger. Hang on, I need to
Can
heal.
I go that way?
Yeah,
Okay.
I need to pick this up. Hang on.
Okay.
There's something I need to pick up. I think it's for you, actually. Or is it for me? Hang on. No. Shotgun rounds. I got the shotgun rounds for you.
Nice!
Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm
Presenting.
I'm ready for some sweet, sweet shotgun rounds.
Oh! There you go. This is Hellfire. Yes, it is Hellfire. It is Hellfire, Blessed Warrior. We've never played this. Neither of us have ever played this. Okay, we go back then?
No. Yeah. Man, we went to so many new areas. Always just trying to go back to the first area we were in. We just keep going further and further.
Be careful of the zombies on the floor. There's a lot of zombies on the floor. Oh, there's an upstairs. But yeah, there's an upstairs. Let's take the upstairs. Let's see if we can go upstairs.
Okay.
Looks like we can.
Yeah. Oh, fire. I want to do something about this.
Second floor. Oh, okay. Second floor. Let's take second floor. So many rooms. I'm getting confused now.
I know. I have no idea where we are.
Zombie, be careful. My game is frozen.
No!
My game is frozen. My game is frozen. I don't know what's going on.
No!
No! No! Protect me! Protect me! My controller died. My controller died. What just happened? What just happened? Why did my controller die? No. Oh, that's weird. No. Strange. Let me just check the options real quick. Hold on. That's strange. Configuration. Controllers. Plugin settings. Everything seems to be okay. What's going on? Test device. You still there?
I'm here.
Okay, okay. You went quiet and I was like,
Where-
something else went wrong. That's
Whoa!
weird.
Your character just died.
No, what?
Yeah, it just fell over.
Okay, so it wasn't. So I died? What?
Yeah. You're just collapsed.
Online he's still standing. I still see you walking around. Okay, something's not right. Something happened. I got disconnected from the game then. Maybe I got disconnected from the game. I still see myself standing. Oh man. What just happened? This is so strange. I'm gonna check out the stream. Go ahead. You go ahead without me. If I died, I died. There's nothing I can do. Hang on, hang on. I'm gonna check out your stream. Go ahead without me.
Alright, I'm just gonna run around. Where I am. So lost. This is definitely a new area. You there?
Okay, I'm back.
You there?
So yeah, I'm back now. I mean, what happened is the game crashed on my end. It definitely crashed. It wasn't the controller then. It wasn't the controller. And
game crashed.
and Blessed Warrior, the sound you heard, I don't think it came from my computer though, because I'm Windows 10, so that sound was from Windows 8, you said. That's strange.
Oh.
So strange. My game crashed.
Okay,
What do I do now? I'm pressing every single button, but...
Restart.
Hang on. Can you keep playing and then I
restart it?
join your session, perhaps? What if I... Because the session is still going. You're still playing. You're still going through rooms, yeah? What if...
I guess.
What if I join your game? Can I reset my game and join yours? Let's see if we can do this. Reset.
Okay. I don't know. It might be that limit though, because I think when you start a session, you put like a limit on it.
I put limit 4.
Like, limit what?
You mean the limit amount of players?
No, there's like a time limit it puts on it. I think it's the time that people are allowed to join the game or something.
Oh. I think it's before it starts the session. I'm resetting the game now. Hang on.
Okay. Just running around.
Okay. Let's see. No, hang on. The controller is still unresponsive though. This is weird.
Oh, jeez.
The controller is still unresponsive, so...
Ow.
Oh! What happened? This is weird. Controllers.
No, I'm past your dead body. Door's tightly shut.
That's very strange. I don't get it. I don't get it.
Is there a passcode? Oh, I need a passcode for this door.
Controller settings just died as well. So...
Oh.
I have to clear...
Oh, jeez.
Delete all. Clear all. I have to start setting up from scratch. Square. Triangle. Oh. Oh my goodness. Everything's dying. Really?
Thank you.
Oh, what's up, Jeff? Guy popped up over here.
Well, there's nothing going on my screen, so...
I have some technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties.
I'll just run around, see if I can't find us some info for our next playthrough for this.
So strange. Oh, man. Alright, so I'm connecting again. Let's see. Well, even my controller died for some reason. So the controller died, even my character died at the same time. That is so weird.
Yeah.
We have no idea what happened. Test device. Controller is responding to the software. Let's see if it responds to the game.
Ah!
Nope, still won't respond to the game.
Victor stick 4 shotgun rounds.
It's not working.
No.
Come on!
Laggy. What happened? Lost. Scared.
That's the funny part. If my controller died, my character just died.
Oh, jeez. This door requires that stupid silver key I threw away. Wow. Well, at least I know next time not to throw away that key.
Really? Wow.
Yeah. Guess I go down.
Oh my goodness, my software crashed.
Damn.
Go! Come on!
Ah, Jack, you're watching both of us? Alright, yeah. Hopefully we'll be back up and running.
David!
I'm starting to doubt whether they're going to be up and running. I'm having my doubts.
Yeah,
now.
I don't know.
This is
I don't
weird.
know.
Help!
My computer decided to forget about the controller.
Thank you.
Nope.
Lame. Eat at hotel guest.
Alright, let's just try again. Clear all. I'm trying to set them up from scratch. So square, triangle, and then it goes into super mega delay mode.
Huh.
No, it's not working. I had to download a program called Motion Joy. Let me see if I can open it real quick. This is why I hate Windows. This is why I hate computer gaming. You see, it's true.
PC Master Race. Woo!
That's why I hate the PC Master Race, because it's not PC Master Race. No.
Thank you.
Nothing. Controller. Clear all. Starting over. Square. Are you kidding me right now? You are kidding me.
Still not working?
I may have to use the emulator. Settings.
Oh, Tristan. I subbed you. Awesome, Tristan. Well, thanks for having out. We're having technical difficulties right now. Whereas this would normally happen.
We promise. But PC Master Race, now it is. Okay, I closed everything
PC Master
down.
Race at work.
I closed everything down now, and we're gonna try again.
All right.
It's funny how I ended the session pretty much, and you're still playing though.
Yeah.
What time is it over there? You're yawning.
It's only midnight. I shouldn't be yawning. I'm normally up late anyway, so.
Okay, let's give it another try.
Midnight's early.
Midnight's early.
I'm just looking at random rooms for anything we might need next round.
No. Hang on. This is not working. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why it failed.
That's weird. It's locked with a simple lock. Well, boom, shakalaka.
No. Nope, nope, nope. Let's try one more time. Let's try one more time, PC Master Race.
Come on, PC Master Race.
And I have a good PC.
Oh, I found acid rounds, so there's a grenade launcher somewhere.
Yeah, I'm sure there is. Apply. Apply. Did you apply? Yes.
Just wasting my ammo.
Controllers. Okay, everything is in order. I don't know why. My controller just vanished. That's what happened. Then my controller died and my character just died, because obviously you're gonna play without a controller. So it just dies. Very strange, but
Jeez. I've already been this round. Ow. PewDiePie sub to me. Well, thank you, PewDiePie.
no, he definitely knows who you are.
I don't know. Somebody who knows me under a different name. Somebody messing with me.
Alright, I'm reconfiguring the controls.
Oh! I am.
Are you in danger?
Ammo. I've been wasting all my ammo. I used like 5 rounds to open a door.
apply. Okay, I think we're good now. I think we're good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, it's working again. My controller's working again. I wonder if I can join you. Can I join? Let me just join the session real quick. Hold on.
Oh god, I hope not. I wasted all this ammo.
No, it's fine. It's fine. But we can we're just experimenting with the.
I hear a zombie. It's weird. I hear a zombie in this room. There's no other. A wall's about to collapse. Little force. Oh, I don't know who you are, PewDiePie. You're somebody. Here we go. I'll break
You
a
are
wall. I'll
somebody.
break a wall.
We know you are somebody.
Just charging a wall. No big deal. Oh.
Sorry about this. It's not my fault. Stupid computer.
It happens. Oh no! Wait a minute. Well, I found out where the grenade launcher is.
Oh, that's good. This looks like you're gonna lead us again then.
Oh, yeah, right. I don't even know how I got here. Eat acid round, zombie.
Okay, I'm not gonna fidget around a lot. Okay, so I think I'm back in business. There's one thing I need to fix.
Okay.
I'm gonna remove the pointer. I hate that it captures the pointer. This is.
Go! Come on! Yoko! Come on! Yoko!
David, help! Help me!
Yoko!
Thank you.
Okay, we're good. I think we're good. You still in the game?
I'm still in the game. I'm just.
Let's see if I can find you. Let's see if I can.
I'm just running around, waiting to reset. Oh, I can see our Discord chat on your stream.
Yeah, because for some reason it decided to switch to that window. Is it still doing that? Hang on. No, it's not doing that.
Nah,
anymore.
I see your game now.
Yeah, because when I closed the PlayStation emulator, OBS was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna switch to this window then.
Nah.
It's alright.
It's doing whatever it wants to do. Oh!
Reload the net file.
Yes, now, son. Your body is still here.
My body's still there. I don't think I can join if my body is still there. We'll see. Maybe I'll stand up again. Can you imagine?
Oh god, I can't loot you or anything though, so everything you had's gone. Like Snake was saying earlier.
Yeah, it's okay. No worries, PewDiePie. Don't worry. I got nothing to hide. PewDie was like, "Cool, watch out. We can see your messages." It's all right. Don't worry. I got nothing to hide.
We weren't bashing, too many people. Just talking about.
We're talking about you, PewDiePie. Actually, yeah, we're talking about you, PewDiePie.
Yeah. JK.
Ah. Fresh water.
Ooh. Reminds me, I'm thirsty.
It's gonna make me log in, is it? Is it gonna make me log in? Are you gonna make me log in, game? Don't make me log in. Come on. Don't make me log in. Oh, of course you're gonna make me log in.
Man, I don't know why I won't recognize you.
Because that would be too easy.
That
would be too easy for me. Nothing's too easy for me.
Man, I've been walking on this level a while. I haven't made any progress.
Really? Seriously?
Yeah, we gotta figure something out. This level's big. At least there's no leech guys chasing us in every room, but dang, there's a lot of rooms.
I had to disable quickly the screen, so I put my password in.
Oh yeah. Zombie! Get off me. Eat acid rounds. Burn that flesh you don't have. Go that way.
Entering the lobby. Let's see if I can join. Would be awesome if I could join, and I'll stand up again like, I'm back for more.
What the hell? No, I've been here.
Alright, so I'm almost there. That's what it is. My controller died and my character just died because, you know, since there's no controller. That's what it was. Free mode. Okay. Room list. Area 1. It says it's vacant. That's weird.
Oh.
It says it's vacant.
Alright. You wanna make a new one? I'll exit here.
Yeah. Do you wanna go again?
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
Let's give it one more shot.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, friendly fire off. We're playing.
I died!
This was my fault now. First it was your fault. And it wasn't really exactly my fault. It's my stupid master race. And I kid you not, I have a good computer, so it's not that I have a crappy or something like that. I don't know. When you work in IT, you learn that when something doesn't work, we don't know why. And when it starts working again, we don't know why either. It's so funny. It's so funny how many things I fix and people are like, oh, you fixed it. What was the problem? I don't know. How did you fix it? I don't know. I don't know what the problem was, and I don't know how I fixed it. It's amazing.
It just happens.
It just happens. That's the problem with IT. Alright, I created the room.
Okay, joining now.
PewDiePie wants to know if you play Pokemon Go.
I don't play Pokemon Go.
I installed it and I'm getting addicted to it, huh?
Oh yeah, I know you're playing. I play the regular Pokemon games. I love those. But I haven't got into the Pokemon.
I don't believe you, Drew. I don't believe you play the regular Pokemon games. I don't believe that.
You don't believe it?
No. I haven't seen a stream of you playing a Pokemon game. So I can't believe you.
So it must not be.
Stream or it doesn't happen.
Yeah, streams didn't happen.
Exactly.
I gotta finish stupid Code Veronica X.
Oh yeah, it's been a while since you streamed that.
It's been a while. I gotta finish that, and I want to get back into my Parasite Eve 2, and then maybe some Pokemon Crystal, maybe some Crystal. I'm feeling Crystal.
Crystal's good.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna skip the cutscenes now.
Yeah.
We know so you don't have to pick up the tags now. We can just run.
Yeah. Not gonna bother.
Move!
Hang on, I think
Gotta
there's
memorize the map.
Yeah, even. And I think there was
Oh wait,
an
there's an herb.
Yeah, let's do that real quick.
Grab it.
Let's go.
Kevin and Mark getting in the action. That's
Getting
right,
the
Lesser
action.
Warrior.
You know it. Alright, so you don't need to pick up the tags, just don't pick them up.
Yeah, can't separate these BFFs. Do we need to trigger the cutscene?
Sure, why not there a cutscene? You need to check him out, yeah?
Oh yeah. Just have to check him, yeah.
Excuse me.
We can. Yeah, let's skip it.
This time he said, excuse me. Yeah? Last time he said, hey, or what, or what? What did he say? That's like that. What?
Yeah. What? Oh shit.
Help me, please!
Help me, please! Help! Good.
Help me, please! Good.
Go now! Here! Come on! Come on! Go now!
Did you see that? Did you see that? I don't know if you
Trying to
saw
hold
it.
the door?
I was trying to hold the door, but he opened it anyway, so I got pushed
I
back.
saw that. I saw you pushing the door. I'm like, what's he doing?
Trying stuff out. Okay,
Oh, I
so
didn't
which
even put
way?
my hand down.
Ooh!
Oh, I didn't even put the gun. Oh, he's getting back up.
Hang on. Because my shots are more powerful if I... Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, he's done.
Yeah, you got that 45 auto.
Oh, there's a gun there. Take that out. No, no, it's not that. No, it's not that. Because my aim goes like this. Look at the way I aim. I aim. And then he aims again.
Liquor's over there. Oh,
yeah,
God.
but he's
Run.
not coming our way.
Liquor's over there. He's gonna...
He's not
He
coming.
can climb on the side of the wall. He can climb on
No,
the side
he's
of the wall.
not gonna make it.
Oh, I don't know.
You think so? I don't think so. There's fire. I think he's gonna get damaged. Come on, Mr. Liquor. Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. He can't make it.
Oh,
He's
okay,
glitching.
Good.
He's glitching. Look at him. Did you see that?
Stay over there, stupid liquor.
He's taking his attack pose, huh?
Yeah.
Whoop! Whoop!
That's bad.
Serves me right. Serves me
Help
right.
me.
Okay.
Help me, please!
I was waiting for him to walk through the fire and dies, you know, but he didn't do that.
Yeah, that would have been nice. The zombie did,
Yeah, the zombie
but I
did.
guess liquors are special. I guess. Man, I can't even remember the way we went or anything we did.
Me neither.
Okay, that way's a fire.
Okay, we can check this room
Wait.
real quick.
Okay. Oh, that's right. We went this way because we checked the room and then we went on the balcony. That's right.
Okay. Ooh, zombie! Why'd I have to get scratched by zombie? Done.
Damn.
Nothing notable in the closet. Anything on the TV? No, nothing on the TV.
I don't feel like taking a rest now. Red herb. I'll grab it. Oh no, you. Oh here, you grab it because you can mix it.
I can mix it, yeah.
There you go.
Here!
If you need it, I'll give it. So combine.
Let's see what's in the baño.
It's in the baño.
Lead pipe and nothing suspicious about the bathtub.
Do you want the lead pipe?
No,
No.
it's gonna get us killed.
Yeah, I'll take it. No, I'll take it. I only have 3 bullets left anyway.
Okay.
So I have to do the thing again, where we...
Oh yeah, I don't want to get blown off the building like last
Yeah, you
time.
need to wait for the fire to die out and then just cross real quick. Okay, Warrior. Thank you so much for hanging out. Take care, buddy.
Take care, Warrior.
Okay, please don't get me zombie. Please don't get me zombie. Get through now, okay? Go get through. I think you should wait. I think you should wait. I think you should wait. Did you listen to me?
I did. I stopped for like half a second.
That was good. Thank you so much, Blessed Warrior. Thank you. Whoop, whoop.
Oh, see? That's so easy.
But look at me. Look at me. I'm smart about it. Look at me.
Oh, that's my character's too fat. He couldn't do that.
He couldn't do that, really? No, don't make excuses.
He probably could. He probably could.
Oh, that's good. So the room is locked. There's no point in trying to open the door. The door was a lot of heat inside, so we just go down this ladder. That's all I remember, though. So that you didn't explore it. So you need to keep the key. You need to keep the silver key then.
Yeah, it opens 2 different doors I found. Well, the one door we saw, and then it opened another one, I think on the 3rd floor. I forget. I don't know if it's like a necessary room. I mean, obviously some of these rooms we don't need to go in. But, you know, I have no idea where we need or don't need to go, so... Oh, zombie down the hall.
Yeah, I think you're
zombie down the hall. Yeah.
Oh, of course.
Oh, no, get off!
Let's go. I'm on caution. But it's okay.
Oh boy.
What about this door? Oh yeah, I remember this room.
Oh yeah, there's stuff in here.
I got 45 auto rounds. Those are for me.
Yeah.
What's
there you go.
Locked with a simple lock. There's
Oh, yeah,
an herb
then
here.
there's
You can have
handguns
it. You
for
can have
me.
the herb if you want.
Hold on, grabbing these handgun rounds. There we go. Herb. Okay, I'll mix the herbs.
Oh, there's the battery on the floor. I'll take the battery. I don't know what it
Oh.
does, but I'll take it.
Gotta do something.
Yeah. Combine with this. Okay, we can go.
Alright, that's a good room.
That was a good room. That's a good room. I think any room is a good room without a leechman in it. I hate that
No
leechman
kidding.
so much.
That's a rough level.
It's a shame that you didn't end the game with me. Ah.
I know, that stupid boss just took so long.
You guided us out of there and you had to die. Oh, and herb. I'll take this one because I'm on caution.
Okay.
Oh, I can't. Okay, hang on. I'll drop the battery for a bit. I'll use it. I'll pick up the battery again. Wow, I'm still on caution.
Oh, zombie.
I love your pose. I love it so much. I can never get enough of it. Okay, he's getting up. Run.
Help!
Oh, oh.
Come on!
Where are we going? Oh,
Come on!
Come on!
Help!
Okay, it's another good room.
okay.
You on the herb?
Nah, I take it because you're unconscious, so you can use it.
I'll take the battery. Leave the battery on the floor. I'll take this. Okay.
Very... Oh, the shotgun rounds. Okay. I know that shotgun's coming.
Good. So, did you also find the grenade launcher, or you just found the rounds earlier?
I found the grenade launcher.
Oh, that's great. I know where they are.
It's in a sneaky little room. You gotta break the wall to get through.
Okay, I picked up the key card. There's a spray. There's a birthday spray, but I can't carry it. It's okay.
I'll take it and just replace
the herb. Yeah.
hang.
Okay, or yeah.
Yeah, I mean, kind of redundant. Probably need more healing. Only 15 rounds. I have the ammunition.
Help!
Yep.
Please help!
That's not the one.
Help!
So funny.
Help me, please!
Help me, please! Do you play in full screen mode or windowed?
I play windowed.
Even me.
Yeah.
Ooh, help me, please!
Oh no!
Please help!
He's gone. Thank
Excellent.
you so much. Oh, he's still standing. Oh, no. Takes a while before he falls, eh? No, he's done. He's done.
So did we go this way?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's like we came from this way, yeah?
Yeah. I guess we have to go like this way, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Then after this scenario, there's another one called... Oh, I think it's this way now, yeah? Yes, there's two more doors here.
Yeah.
After this scenario, there's another one called Decisions, and I don't know why it's called like that. I think we have to make decisions.
Oh. I heard somebody saying that's a longer episode.
I heard. Yeah, I get to push the box now. I get to be the one pushing the box.
Oh yeah. Red herb up here. We don't need that.
Can we stand on this
strong
box?
police.
We can't stand on this box.
Seems like you should be able to, but
No, but there's nothing on there. Anything else here? Nope.
it's a red herb up there.
Yeah, let's go.
Come on! Help me, please!
That's the one. But again, we never got to check out that room. We never.
Excellent!
Let's go check out that room real quick. Yeah?
Oh
There's
yeah,
another
no, we
door.
skipped, yeah.
Yeah, we skipped it
we're gonna
again.
be down here for
I don't think we can go back up. Oh yes, we can. There we go.
Help me! Go now! Go!
Can I help you up? That's... No, I don't think I can.
I'm fat, but I'm getting up.
Let's check out the door before we go down again. We never checked that door. There's something on the floor. I think there's an herb or
It's
first aid.
it's a first aid spray.
And let's check this door out because we never checked this door. I hope it doesn't lead to another 5 doors.
No, yeah, I know. Room 201. Should just be one.
Oh, yeah, just a room. There should be some stuff in here then.
Let's see.
Any stuff? Oh, a safe. It's an
Oh, is
open
this-
safe. Antivirus pill.
Oh. Oh.
What's your infection like?
15.
I'm 19, so I'll take it.
Yeah, it's like one was on the floor.
Yeah, I
Oh,
just
that's
dropped
what
it.
you
I
just
just
dropped.
dropped it because
Oh, okay.
I took the pill. How are you health-wise?
Sounds good.
Yeah, take that.
I'm on fine. There's a green herb here. I'm like, I need that.
Anything in the bathroom? Please,
Oh.
ammo or
Oh,
something. It's locked
oh,
with
it's locked.
it's
Oh,
flimsy.
flimsy.
Yeah, we can take that down.
Okay, time to get punched in.
And my guy has a recoil, so I have to keep walking forward again. You see, he steps back.
Oh wow.
Look. After 3 kicks, look how far away from the door he is.
Oh yeah. Good.
Now he won't reach me. He won't reach. I have to come back again.
Oh, my character kind of moves to the side. Come on. Come on, help me.
If we shut the door,
Help!
if we shut the door, it would be quicker, but with late ammo. So.
Yeah, I used the shotgun to open the door for fun one of the day.
I have a feeling this door is gonna be worth it.
Hey,
Let's see
there
if
we
it's
go.
worth it. Nothing in the tub.
What we got?
Nothing in the toilet.
Oh, a first aid spray.
That's it. Oh man,
That's
that's
it.
okay.
I'll
Whatever.
switch it out with my herb. 2 first aid sprays, not. And then there's a first aid spray in the hallway anyway, so.
Yeah. So many first aid sprays. That worries me, huh? That worries me.
Yeah, that was a lot of healing items.
So this was the room.
Oops, I gotta equip my gun again.
If we die, we'll call it a day, and we'll check a walkthrough again. We'll check a walkthrough.
Yeah.
Because I think the boss is a mess, this one. I think this boss is a big one.
Oh yeah.
I think the boss, if I remember correctly, I think it's a big licker. Like a mega licker. Something like that, yeah.
That's horrible. Whoa, you getting burned over there?
Yeah, careful.
Okay.
What's in here? Nothing sparkles here. Oh, it's a memo. Oh yeah, it's the thing to open the door. That's good. To open the safe.
The code? You mean?
Yeah, the codes for the safe because there's a list. It depends.
Oh.
It depends whose room we're in. If it's Mr.
Oh, that's right,
Wilson's
that's right.
room, we have to check the receipt.
Oh, here's the shotgun.
Oh, take the shotgun then.
Is this where was last time?
No, items are moving around. Yeah.
Okay, well, I gotta check.
Oh, move in, get in.
Go in here.
Still better than the leech man anyway.
Oh, let's see.
We got whipped by the
You
tank.
harassed it. You
Yeah.
harassed it, and now it's mad at you.
Am I injured? Let me see. Hang on. I'm unconscious. Wow, I need to. Yeah.
Oh, zombie!
He's gone. I'll take this, please. Oh, there it is. So it's Lowell's room. So if I open the file and I'll check the guest list. Lowell is B-A-E. It's Bay. It's Bay. Yeah, he's Bay.
Where's Matt? Where's Matt and Emily?
I know, right? There we go. Oh, I'm full.
Oh, it's the key, right?
Hang on. I can combine. Yeah, I can combine an item. Hang on, so I'll be good. Combine. There we go. Extra slot. I'll take the key.
Oh,
let's go.
nice.
There's something else in there. Hang on, there's something else in there. Oh, that's the same.
I think it's just
the
more.
same. Yeah, more. Of the
Yeah,
same.
it's so everybody can grab it.
We're good
Okay.
to go.
If the liquors are
bathroom.
out here, I'm gonna. Oh, okay. I'll shotgun the liquor if he gives us trouble. Blue herb. Oh yeah.
Nothing in
that
here.
guy.
You have a shotgun. You're good. Now I'll take the
Ready to
grenade
take
launcher,
off
huh?
Yeah, there you go. Shotgun and grenade launcher. We ready?
But still, save ammo. Don't attack the liquor.
Yeah, I'll just run unless we get cornered or something.
Unless their boss is waiting. So.
Yeah. Oh, jeez, he's right there. He's right there.
Let's go. Oh, what about that door?
We-
Yeah,
this
that
door?
door. Yeah, take that door. Oh, it's.
Oh, it's locked with the silver key. You have to unlock it. You have to unlock it. Go. Got it.
Thank
down.
you very much. I unlocked it. Whew. Ah, that was stressful.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
But you
Got-
see, that's
got one
the
liquor
good
down.
that's the good thing of having two players. You know, we can communicate and while you keep them occupied.
Yeah.
Alright, now which
yeah.
way do we go? There's doors here. Oh, this one leads to the outside. Remember? There's no point in going this
Oh,
room.
the.
There's no
Oh,
point in
dang
going
it.
to
That
this
way. I
room
see.
because you're gonna get attacked.
I clicked it. Yeah, I'll come back in.
I'll wait here. I'll wait here. In the meantime, I'll look around. Oh, there's a gun. What's this gun? Whoa, what is this? Ah, it's the same type of gun. I'll take the zombie out in the meantime.
Okay. I'm back.
Is he gone? Yes, he's gone.
Oh, where are you?
You know that door we were knocking earlier with our legs?
Oh,
Around the
yeah.
Yeah, keep going down the hallway.
Knocking with our legs. I like it.
Knocking it down.
Okay. Time to put my shoulder into it.
Put your shoulder.
Please help! Help me! Please! Help me! Go!
You can do it. Come on.
I have this door closed, but I don't remember what was behind this door.
Yeah, I don't remember either.
Thanks.
Hey, here we go.
Thank you. Thank you.
We thank each other. Thank you. Thank you.
No, thank you.
Thank you. No,
No,
thank
sir.
you. So polite. You see, man, I don't have to go down the drain. Oh, yeah, it's this part.
Yeah. Oh, yes. yes.
Okay,
We need
so
to
let's go this way. Let's go this way. Because this way is where
Oh!
we...
Zombie crawling, zombie crawling.
Your head up my butt.
Just trying to stay close. Yep.
Help!
Oh, there's bullets on the
Yeah.
floor. Hang on, let me see if I can pick them up. Hang on. Oh, no! I can't because...
Your
Ooh,
type of
zombies coming up. Hang on, be careful. There's a zombie crawling towards you.
Oh, okay.
I can't pick up the
Okay.
bullets. I can't. I'm just
Is it,
gonna let them
is it
go.
your type?
Yeah, they are my type, but I can't pick them up because I have the key. I have a key card.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. Never mind.
Oh, yeah, we gotta find that stupid door that we found so early on and
Oh yeah, that's
Sorry.
right. Yeah, we can
we
backtrack.
didn't find it this time. Whoa, whoa! Yeah.
I think Still alive. Careful.
Oh yeah. He's still alive.
Okay, there's a liquor
Oh no,
here. Careful.
liquor.
Oh, shotgun.
Oh nice.
So we have one each now.
Shotgun.
Okay, the thing
Huh?
is, we have a problem because I don't have enough room.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go the first aid spray. I need the shotgun for sure.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay.
So that's it. Okay, that's all we needed from this area then.
Oh no.
Nothing else in this room. Nothing.
Oh no, my game just froze.
No way.
No.
No way.
Please help! Help me! Please! Please help!
No way.
Am I moving around on your screen?
No, you're paralyzed. Oh, you passed out. No, you passed out.
No.
Seriously.
Thanks.
Oh, it's the controller thing?
Come on!
Did your controller die now?
I mean, it's got power to it. It's plugged in. Like,
Oh my goodness,
No
the same
way.
thing. It's just the same thing. It says Mark dead. I can take your stuff now.
oh,
Oh my
dude.
goodness. That's amazing.
Oh
Well,
my
I'm starting
god.
to wonder if it's a bug in the game or the emulator or the patch. I don't know.
Yeah, that can't be a coincidence.
It can't be a coincidence. No. That's so weird.
Oh.
So strange. I wonder. Now I'll look this up. I will look this up on the internet. Because
Yeah, maybe that's on that
so your
forum.
controller died completely now. You can't pause. You can exit. You can't press start. Nothing. You can.
Well, I mean, I don't know if it's the controller, but the game is totally frozen. I'm stuck on the screen, like I just walked out of that door.
And you're just standing there, yeah. And you can see me
I'm
walk.
just standing
And you
there.
can see me walking around, yeah.
No, it's frozen. I see you standing there, like you just picked up the shotgun. And that's it.
But is the screen frozen completely? Like, do you see the fire moving? And do you see me breathing? That's what I mean.
No, it's totally frozen.
No, it wasn't like
Totally
that for me.
still.
It wasn't like that for me.
Oh.
It wasn't like that for me. For me, I could still see walking around, and then you left. I saw you breathing. The fire was still.
Oh.
So it's different.
Yeah, mine's,
Very strange.
yeah, mine's just stuck.
Very strange. So strange. I guess that's it for today then. Oh,
yeah,
no.
man. That sucks.
No. We're gonna try this again. But again, we're familiarizing ourselves with the
Yeah.
area, so we know where we need to go. We know where we have to pack up our stuff.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Now we're pretty familiar with this area now. Well, up to a certain point.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe this happened again. I don't know if
Yeah.
I wonder if it has to do with anything with the I don't know. Interesting. Very, very interesting. I'll look it up. I'll see if people had the same issue.
Yeah.
How strange. You were just standing there and then you just passed out.
Yeah.
And you
Yeah,
died.
that's what happened here. You just collapsed for him. Like, what the hell? Yeah.
No. Oh, there's elevators here. Hang on. No, but these don't work. Too much fire. Too hot for me to get any closer. I guess that's it. Oh man. Oh man. I guess that's it. We're gonna try this again because it's an interesting.
Oh yeah.
It's an interesting one. Not unlike the hospital one. It stressed me out, and I was thinking of rage quitting it. But
Yeah, this one's some cool exploration, mystery.
yeah, I'm enjoying this one.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, I made it to the roof. No, just third floor, not the roof. There's a fire door. Did you manage to reset the PS2 emulator, or is it back
I
to
just
normal
turned-
like?
I just turned it off. I'm gonna open it again.
Strange. Very strange. I don't think you can join my session now. Anyway. Ooh, my
Yeah.
zombies.
Got it.
What a bummer. I'll look it up to see if there's a bug or something with this mission. So if that's the case,
Yeah.
we'll just skip this one. And it would be a
Yeah.
shame. I don't want that to be the case, but
Yeah, I know. This one looks fun. Let's see.
shotgun round.
No, the controller's working. I can go through the menu and stuff. This is just froze. It wasn't. Maybe it wasn't the controller. My game just froze because yours sounded like different. Yours sounded like because your game still went on.
Yeah, my game still went on. Yeah, very strange.
So mine must have just froze.
Maybe it's just a coincidence. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the room where you thought you could break out you can break the wall. Did you shoot at it?
Oh no, I just punched it. I shoulder bashed.
Ah, yeah, I'm clicking it right now. Actually, yes, there's smoke coming out of it. So we know which room we're talking about. It's 30 star. It's 30 something.
Oh yeah, the number got burnt off or whatever.
Yeah, yeah, interesting. All right, we're gonna have to end the stream because this is pointless now. But it was very interesting. Very, very interesting.
Yeah. They
Anyway.
beat the stupid leech.
Thank you all for watching. So if there's any people left,
Any survivors?
if there's any people left watching, but it was fun. Thank you so much, Drew.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna end
Thank
the stream
you,
now.
Mr. Vloggy. Yeah.
I have to push the
Adios,
button.
everybody.
There it is. Okay. This.